Yeah. It should have the thumbnail on it. Does it? Is it there? Oh, it is there. Let's go. Because yesterday, that's what I always hate about Restream. I didn't know how to like throw the thumbnail in there. Where it's like, because you would always go live on YouTube and it would just show your profile pictures like the thumbnail. I hated that shit. All right, well, we should be good. Let's see. Is the stream up? Hello?
I was checking.
I need my chat. Where's chat? There's chat. All right. Is there? Let's go. Oh, turn the sound off. We can't have that. You guys haven't slept. Hey, I slept pretty good, Raleigh. I slept pretty good.
Rolly. Who needs sleep?
No, we don't need sleep.
I actually slept great. I actually woke up early because my body's programmed to wake up an hour earlier still.
All right. Let's go, baby. Links posted on Twitter. Let's get that in the Discord. Get everybody in here.
Oh, that's sick. It used my profile picture too on my.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sick. Yours used the. Yeah.
All right. Good morning, gents. Brendo, J Fox, Riley, what's good? Oh, well, we got the newsletter, y'all. That's coming out 5 minutes before the market opens. I'll get that link in the chat. Why not Twitter Space? We're going to be on Twitter Spaces. We just don't start that till 6 in the morning, my time. So don't worry. We'll be on Twitter Spaces too. You ready for our morning, though? We got a new week. Last week was arguably the biggest week for the market, obviously just because of earnings, but we got another big week tailing it, not in terms really of earnings, but data is going to be pretty stacked this week.
Yeah, spicy week. Well, the election, like, do we see any type of like last minute uncertainty, or I don't know. I have like an outside prediction that we're not going to get the final results until like Saturday.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm like, there's been so much gains this year. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw, we think we saw like a few nasty days. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a really nasty day to see de-risking before all this. But I don't know. Shit. No idea. So we're going to play it by ear, but let's see. Turn this off.
Somebody said Dell was running.
Dell is, Dell's been moving.
Dude, you're getting a Dell.
CR thought I slept in. No, sir. No, sir. I was just we're getting shit going on here. I'm getting it ready. Pedro, good morning.
Well, Dell is running.
Dell's running. How do I? Oh, wait, no. Didn't want to share that window. I'm still figuring out this restream shit. How do I share only this window? That doesn't work. That's fine.
What are you trying to share? Window?
I was just trying to share a single window. Make it easy, but...
Oh, you definitely can.
Well, we are watching Dell. We were talking about that last night. I'm keeping an eye on it. We got that 134 area we were talking about. We filled the gap pretty much that we just were in. We kind of got another gap, which has already been filled, but it doesn't mean we can't fill it again. And I want to I want to see. We're doing some paint work today in apartments, so going to be listening from phone pretty much all day. Oh, no worries, CR. You're good, bro. Don't worry. If you can't chat or something, you're fine. No worries. Yeah, over the 0.5 fib, though, Dell's interesting. It's just we've had beautiful moves up to that. Now it's like, okay, we got to get over that.
And it's over here in the pre-market. Like that next move to that 144, I think is going to be beautiful. CR, I can share my stream or my screen. At some point or another, I'm sure we will.
Oh, yeah. You just tell me if you want to show something. I don't care.
The beauty of this is like, I can be like, hey, check this out. And we throw my screen up for 5 minutes to show something. And we throw it back to Jordy's and he goes back over his stuff. Like, this is a fluid situation.
We do have some earnings this week, just not really the companies we all care about as much. But I mean, Palantir, HIMS, there's definitely some interesting companies. I got SMCI, obviously. Fuck, that's going to be rough. Duolingo, long. How is that chart? Hasn't it been ripping? It's been ripping. Look at Duolingo, bro. What the fuck? Gosh. Well, I don't really have that many setups in the newsletter this week. You guys can exclamation mark newsletter in the chat. That's coming out 5 minutes before the market opens, but there's not too many setups in there, to be honest. It's pretty light. We got a few that I'm looking at, and other than that, it might be another week where I'm not trading very many options, to be honest. Hate to say it, but it's election week with all this data and shit. I don't know that I want to be taking a whole ton of risk, but we'll see. I might. All right, does it have the actual... Oh, great. We have the actual description now in there and everything. All right. Good. Good. I haven't looked at NQ yet.
Uh-oh.
So let's take a look.
I got the bearish coffee mug again. That's not good.
You got to be careful with that, man.
Yeah, I should have grabbed the giraffe. I think we got these at Costco. Just like a little setup or whatever.
Yeah. Hey, appreciate you, J Fox. Yeah, we like the dual stream stuff. I think we're going to be doing a lot more of dual stream moves. On Dell, if Dell can actually get over 134 and clear it, we're trying to right now, but that can change in the open. I think if we can clear over 134, it's golden fib time. 147.76. Anywhere in that general supply area is going to be my target. So 145 to 150, basically. That's what I would target if you're kind of in right now, waiting to get over this 134. That's where I'm looking to get to the next spot.
Yeah, my fib's sitting at 144.26. And if you look at that daily chart, there's like 4 or 5 wicks off of that exact level.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, from both, no, more than that. Even if you go back before, that's a key level. Look at do you have that 144? Did that draw out on yours?
I have it right here. It's like right before the 618. 144.84 is my 618.
All right, so look, yeah. So look, go back over. It's like where it gapped down hard, like in June.
Over here? Oh,
yeah.
No. Yeah.
Look. So look where you see the top wick there on that next day.
This right here? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, and then go over, and there's another one, like whatever at the top of that little curl. There's another one.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's another one like a few days later. It tries to sit on top of it once. And even before, like, this is why I like fibs, because you can see this is an area of interest, right? This is definitely some type of level, even before this retrace ever happened. And also, if you look left when it was going up, look at the little flag that sat on top of it before it like rocketed to those highs.
Yeah.
So
Bro, fucking Dell. Yeah, that's a
Fibs are
spot.
pretty cool, man.
No, I love fibs. Are you kidding? It's just like anybody that comes to me and is like, how do I get levels? I just push them to fibs. Why sit there and try and draw levels that you don't even know if they're good or not? You can just draw fibs on a good range and you don't have to guess anymore.
Was that the Lux Algo deal?
Yeah, this is all Luxago stuff.
I love those the little bands.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like Bollinger Bands, but not. It's
I
like
can't use it for swing trading. I can't see this shit when swing trading, but for futures and getting the entries, it helps a lot. So I like to have one.
I feel like if you're looking for a swing entry and it gets into one of those bands, I feel like that's the spot.
It could be nice, yeah.
At least short
it could
term.
be useful.
Shout out to the boys at Lux Algo.
Seriously,
Create some cool stuff.
Well, they just hook us up too. It's fucking awesome. Oh. This looks weak, man. These bounces look weak, Em. Just don't look good.
You just wonder. So when you think about it, Jordy, think about what we did last week with all the earnings reports. Like, let's just kind of go through that real fast in your head.
Mm-hmm.
We had what? Apple, not great. Microsoft earnings were not great. As far as when I say not great, I'm just talking about the reaction, right? The overall narrative's fine. Like, we don't care that, I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying what the actual reaction, like the excitement is around it. So you had of all the Mag 7, Amazon and Google went up, right? Pretty much everything else was down to flat. I mean, Tesla is it's in its own little world. But like if we just look at last week, let's see what Meta was down, Apple was down. Which one am I missing?
Meta's in a big ass spot.
Microsoft, Apple, Meta. Those three were down. The other two were up, Google and Apple.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm sorry, Google and Amazon. So 2 out of the 5 Mag 7 had a nice reaction, 3 didn't. So it's kind of mixed, but it's a little bit down, I guess, would be what I'm trying to say here. Because, like, and overall, I mean, I don't think anything's bad, but I think you do have to consider that as a whole is like, okay, what's the overall narrative? This was what we were waiting on for like a possible move to the next level. And a couple names got it, but several names didn't. I mean, they didn't like just crash or anything, obviously, but what's the continued action going to be? That's what we got to watch for. Plus, Jordy, if you're running millions of dollars, billions of dollars, and you have a very polarizing election tomorrow,
no, de-risking.
Would you be sticking your neck out right now?
I mean, no.
That's my mentality.
I'd be selling shit.
I would have been de-risking pretty much this entire time. And as soon as I saw those earnings last week, nothing told me like, yeah, it's okay to leave a lot of risk on that would have been like a little factor to help. Yeah. So to me, it's not like hey, flash sell, flash crash everything. But I mean, you're not going to go like net new on much right now.
Yeah.
I mean, you could, but the way I think about it is, why would you, right? Why would you be like, let me jump in front of this just, because there's just that outside chance something's bad.
Yeah.
That's the way I think about it.
Somebody said time changed. Time did change. I don't know whether or not I fucking gained sleep or not, but it's dark as shit still, so.
So like you don't actually gain time. I technically the people in Arizona and the people like me gain time.
Yeah, I mean, I do get an hour of sleep at one point in the year, an extra hour, don't I?
Well, yeah. So you fell back, but the thing is, it's not that you get an extra hour. You just wake up an hour later.
True. Yeah.
It's just everything shifted an hour later.
Okay. I want more downside, but at the same time, Apple's at its 21. Apple's biggest one of the biggest portions of SPY. I mean, if we hold this and we get rocketing off this weekly 21, the market might be totally fine. We'll see. I don't know, but Apple still looks constructive, so I got to keep that in my mind. We got spaces in 15 minutes.
Wake up in the morning, I got on my mind. I don't know if we want to say certain trigger words.
Morning light. That's good, baby.
So who else we got in the chat this morning, bro? Who's here? Who's already up?
Pedro, Paulito. We got Mikey. We got Lightning.
Mikey, Paul. Rolly was like the first one. Shout out Rolly. Lightning's up in here.
Reddit. I've never traded Reddit. Never.
Pedro, that's an interesting point. I'm going to pull up the Reddit, Trevor. Pedro, it is interesting because London and Europe changed like 2 weeks ago, I think. It's a 2 to 3 week difference. And I never knew that until when I was in Spain because I was like 7 hours ahead and I would like call home, like call my mom, whatever, check in, just like, hey, how's everything going? And like I'm alive over here in Europe still, Mom. And then our clocks changed. And I thought everyone changed, but it was just over there. So I called my mom. It was like 6 a.m.
Oh my God.
Sorry, Mom. And then like 2-3 weeks later, it went back to normal. Like the hour difference changed again. Reddit.
Dude, I've never traded this. It's very much in that it's not necessarily.
It's only been around for 6 months.
Yeah, but it's kind of in that meme category where I just don't even want to touch it. But aside from that, the chart looks gnarly. This is wild for sure. But
so that's a good point, Jordy, and I'll echo that same idea because when something feels like anything that has like the meme like smell to it, I won't touch it with options or really maybe equity, but even then I just feel like it's now Reddit's numbers were fantastic. I'm still trying to figure out like how they're really going to continue to monetize it. I know they have a deep base of customers, like customer users, I guess would be the correct term there. But when I think about Reddit, the only thing I really see is like, okay, they can get ad revenue from people jumping on there, but they're kind of old school still. So where's the innovation? Like, where's the growth going to come from? Like, are there a lot of new users signing up for Reddit? I just wonder that. I mean, the numbers probably say something similar, but you just wonder. Or I guess one bullish argument would be, is it some type of like merger buyout candidate at some point? That would be interesting since they just went public, but who knows? Who knows? But Reddit. So, and here's the problem. If you're trying to trade Reddit right now, the problem is it just had an earnings massive gap up. So if you look at this from like a technical standpoint, if you're not already in this name, how do you get in right here? How? I mean, look at Jordy's chart right there. Tell me, Jordy, you tell me, how do you buy, how do you long or short that?
I don't. I don't. You can't. That's the thing.
Wait, what's your, I mean, if you're
you can take speculation plays here and there, but the difference between that
and intraday
like
trade maybe
process, it's like, dude, you can't go into a trade here, in my opinion, thinking, oh, I got confidence with this, or this is high probability. You got to be size small, and because I get it, like we have those stocks we want to try, right? It's enticing, and I get that, but like you just got to try it with small size. You can't be putting on a real position on something like this, I don't think.
I mean, at a certain point, you're like, I don't know, like if you want to be long something like this, it's like probably with equity, and you just start buying. Yeah. You just start buying a little bit at a time. But I mean, it may never fill that gap. It may be months before it can fill that gap. I mean, I just don't see how you. I don't see how you have good risk to reward in an actual trade. Now, if you're intraday trading, like day trading this thing, like, a couple hour move or something like that, it's much different. But when you're looking at this for like an actual swing, then Pedro's getting a burger. Yeah, I'll take a burger.
Damn. I had a
Oh, that
burger
sounds
last night.
fire.
Or not a burger. I had an ahi tuna sandwich from Habit.
Pedro, where are you? Where is Pedro? Like Portugal or somewhere?
Something like that. I forget. God damn it. He's told me so many times and I still forget.
Probably Portugal. I had to just take a random guess without knowing. Oh, keep smiling. What's up, brother?
Oh, that's our boy. Keith, how we doing, baby? Good morning. I'm pissed. I want to go golf today, but I have so many blisters on my hands. Like I can't really. Yeah, I got to double glove it if I do. I got to pull the Emperor door.
Yeah.
Fucking double glove that.
Now you understand.
Dude, my mom. It's funny. I took my parents to the range the other day. They haven't really golfed, and my mom was like, "Oh, can I wear 2 gloves?" I'm like, "Hey, it ain't baseball, but Mama can wear 2 gloves."
Yeah.
I don't want you to, but if anybody's gonna do it, you can.
Just if you got enough sauce, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Guys, everybody go to the Twitter right now, real quick. Go to the link that your boy posted, me and Amp. Go retweet that shit for us. Go like, retweet, comment under that. Let's get as many people in here as possible. We're starting to do these dual streams a lot more. I think it's better because for one,
I think it's got a
it
big,
gets a little like
big
I love
opportunity.
having chat, but it's a little lonely by myself. It's nice to have somebody to bounce off of with charts and stuff. So shout out to that. Blisters, don't you have a girlfriend, Jordy? Hey, shit.
Yo.
Hey, them golf clubs are hardy, all right? No, it's my grips, man. If I just get some new grips, I'll actually not get all those blisters. Gaba, good morning.
Oh, let me jump on Spaces with Evan because he's by himself.
Oh yeah, no, go for it.
I think that's gonna roll into our normal space anyway.
Bet, yeah, and then I'm gonna start ours, and we'll be chilling.
I'm pretty sure with Wolf, I've just got the trading space this morning, and then we're done by like whatever.
Bet.
10:30, 11.
I didn't realize this. I didn't think about it because we're streaming, and then we're both going to be on Spaces. You might need to mute me because I'm not going to be able to mute myself because then people on the stream won't hear me.
No, I have headphones.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, you run the dual. Yeah, you're good then. Yeah, we're set. Yo, what's the hat say today? Cowboys and beer. I will say though, this is probably my new. Oh, I fucked it a little bit. I kind of fucked it. It's okay. This is my new favorite hat though. I like this one. I feel very tropical. I kind of feel like a flamingo when I wear it, you know?
It's kind of got like Havasu vibes to it.
Havasu vibes for sure. Yeah. I'll be wearing that to Havasu. I'll lose that in Havasu for sure.
And for the record, I was going to say Panama City Beach, but I had to change that reference just so the West Coast people would get it. So if you're from the eastern side, that's a Panama City Beach hat right there for sure.
Yeah. I fucking laid my clothes on it though, and it got like slightly fucked, but it's all right. She's still all right.
Oh, I was right. Portugal. Hey, Cam. Crypto Cam's in the house.
Oh, our boy. I will say, for the people that didn't hear it, I mean, I'm keeping my eyes out for options plays. I really am this week, but it's another gnarly week. It's election week. I mean, it's probably not going to be happening, to be honest. It's probably going to be another just futures week. If I see opportunities, I will take them, but it's going to be really tough again for me to put heavy risk on this week. And honestly, it's probably a good thing. So. We do have some earnings this week for the people that missed it, but nothing compared to last week. So not going to be as massive, but we definitely have some interesting companies reporting, maybe some companies that people hold in the long term or that you might be interested in. So it's worth taking a look. Over
Oh, if I go on mute, it's because I'm talking on the other space. I don't want to just like confuse you guys.
Oh, you're good. Yeah. No, you're totally fine. You good, baby. Everybody, we got like 42 people in here or so. Like the stream if you guys are enjoying. Me and Emp are doing more of these dual streams. I think it's the move.
Like we should.
We got some more shit working up too.
We can long Office
I
Depot.
haven't told you guys yet, but
we can long Coca-Cola. We just start longing sponsors on these jerseys.
Facts.
we'll long Leche Leon.
Yeah.
Oh, if y'all didn't remember, just quick recap. NVIDIA joined the Dow Jones. I think it's wild that Dow got kicked out of the Dow. That's wild. Why does Imp live in Mexico? My wife is from down here, which is sick because it was it was an easy excuse to come down here, and now it's great. I knew it would be great, but it was a nice little deal there. Oh, Jordy, don't forget we have our new NFP levels from Friday.
Oh yeah, they're like officially set now.
The high and low of Friday. So if you look at previous day range, 485.20 on QQQ, 490.75 on the upside.
Wait. Interesting. I'm trying to be able to like get it to where it'll just share my screen when I'm like where I don't have to come back to restream to do it and just do it on one, but I need to spend more time on this platform. But yeah, for anybody wondering, those are the new NFP levels. October NFP high is in the middle of these two, but November NFP high 490.75, November NFP low 45.20 there. So something to watch. God damn it, it's delayed, so I don't know if my screen is actually switched. Yes, it is. Okay, we're good. I'm getting used to the delay. I'm not really liking it, but it's worth it to do the dual streams. I don't mind. Lower tax in Mexico. I'm sure there's plenty of benefits in the tax area to be in Mexico. I'm sure, especially in the trading world. All right, about to start spaces. It's about to be a morning. Oh, what's NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA actually looks pretty constructive still. I'm not gonna lie, holding Friday's high. As long as we're holding Friday's high, that's totally fine with me. NVIDIA looks actually kind of good. Get this started. Ace the Kid a little bendy this weekend? Oh yeah. We had to have fun for the birthday, you know. It always tends to work out where it's never a single birthday celebration, you know what I mean? It's always like we're celebrating the whole week. And that's definitely what we did, but it was a good time. It's a good time, but now back to work. Birthday's over. Time to get back to work now. Last time I was on the M channel, I realized you couldn't send him a super chat. Yeah, because he's not I don't know, is it partnered? Yeah, we'll get him there though. We'll get him there. Everybody, if you haven't, sub to Emp real quick. I don't know if I'm sure some of you are on Emp's YouTube or some of you are on my YouTube. Either way, if you're on my YouTube, go over to Emp's channel real quick. Sub to him for sure. Get his subs up. We wanna get him going. All right, live market talk is live. Let's go, baby. The famous music is playing. You guys know it. The famous music, baby. Let's run it. Let's fucking ride. Dude, I love how Elon made this the theme music for Spaces. It's just so funny to me. I think it's hilarious.
No, you know which one I like? I like the next one. What's the next one down?
You can change it?
What? Yeah, bro. Go to the music real fast.
How do you
before you go to the one that's like jazz? This one. This is my jam. do. Or you could take that. You could take that little hook right there and make a sick beat with it.
Oh my gosh! Good morning, Spaces crew. Oh, Mr. Tom Crown is here early. Somebody got his coffee going. Good morning, guys.
The clock's rolled back, man. So.
Oh yes, you're feeling good, feeling great.
This is my time of the year.
Oh, this is Tom's time of the year, baby.
Yeah, dude.
When it smells like cinnamon. When it smells like cinnamon in the air, the leaves are orange, and he gets to sleep.
It actually did turn for like the first time in years. The leaves turned like orange and red, and
yeah.
the year before they just fell off the trees.
I mean, not really where I live, because I live in an area where I don't get that privilege. But I went up to see my girlfriend recently in Chico, and up there it's like a little. You get more of the seasons, and I was just watching all the trees change colors. It's so cool. Love to see it, because I don't see that ever. So,
but it has not happened in like 10 years, at least where I'm at. They would just be on the trees green, and then it would get like really cold overnight. They just fall.
Yeah. Fuck.
They stole our magic.
It's rough.
But it's back, baby.
Well, we're ready for another week, ladies and gents. It's another big week. I mean, arguably last week was the biggest week for the market in terms of earnings, and we still got some earnings bouncing around this week. Not nearly as impactful as last week, but it's really about the data and what's going on in the world this week. We got election day tomorrow, so it's gonna be a big day tomorrow. I honestly don't know exactly what to expect. I kind of started trading like the year of the last election. So if I were to sit back and say I have a good idea of what's to come with these elections, I would be lying. So I'm ready for whatever, but I mean, I have no risk on in terms of options. It's probably going to be another week where I don't touch many options and just focus on the futures, because it's going to be crazy. We got FOMC rate decision coming out as well later in the week. 30-year bond auctions, just a bunch of stuff. Initial jobless claims, wholesale inventory, stuff coming out all week. So it's going to be wild. Buckle in. I'm ready to go, though. It's going to be fun. How's Bitcoin? Where are we at?
Chilling.
Oh, she's chilling. She came in a little bit. She all right. She all right. She's
just waiting for this.
She's needed to chill. Oh, she's just consolidating on the weekly. It's all right. It's all right. Okay. Crude oil's up. Looking pretty decent, actually. It's been doing good. Gold has pulled back from that 2,800 and hasn't really gotten any traction since, but it's holding some levels, so we'll see what that wants to do. VIX is at 2250. Hey, yo. For everybody in the Spaces audience, me and Emp are actually doing a dual live stream on YouTube right now. So feel free to join that. I'll throw the link up top.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. We're gonna start running a lot more of these because it's just more fun to have somebody else on the chat as well, right? So that link should pop up in Spaces in like a minute or so. Now I'll also throw the link for the newsletter, which is coming out 5 minutes before the market opens, 100% free as well. Just make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll throw that link up top. Number 47. We're almost at 52 weeks in a row. I can't wait to hit that milestone with the newsletter, to be honest. It's going to feel good. Haven't missed a day. Or I guess it's not daily. I haven't missed a week. Tom's in the chat. How do we find Em's page? Just type in Emperador Maximiliano. And that shit will come up. Oh, Paul posted the link for you. You're good. Well, big week ahead of us. It's Monday. For this Monday, we don't really have a lot of data. We have some stuff coming out, but nothing really like with high impact. So I don't know. I'm expecting a range today, back and forth. But maybe we get surprised. I don't know. We'll see.
We got kind of rugged. So the FOMCs are always on Wednesday. They're always on Wednesday, every single time. And for reasons I do not know, it was moved to Thursday
election.
this week.
Emp just said the election.
I guess, but
so you have election day on Tuesday.
Tomorrow,
they start their meeting the day
I
before.
can see maybe not do the next day, but like it just seems silly.
As long as it's a 2-day meeting.
It's silly to me because I'm leaving for Dubai and you can't stream, so I'm figured.
It's a 2-day meeting, so they're not going to start meeting on election day. They're going to start the meeting the day after.
Yeah. Well, in terms of what I'm looking at open, I don't see much that I want to act on right this second. So
yeah, it's gonna be this is gonna be the most interesting week of the year. I mean,
yeah,
bad enough we have election. You also got FOMC, you got earnings. I mean, it's just a whole shithole of things.
dude, how do I change the fucking background of this shit? I ain't doing it. Hold on, ladies and gents. I'm gonna make this right because the background being purple, that's not us. What is that? Let's see if I can figure out how to change it. Oh, did I get it? Aha. So now let's see. Aha. There we go. That's better than a purple background, eh? Garlic, is this a spread week for you or what? Big garlic goal. I feel like you're gonna be heavy on the spreads this week. Garlic, if you're talking, I can't hear you.
No, I'm not talking.
Okay, bet.
Hey, Tom Crown, I have a bearish mug just for
Bitcoin. Be
Bitcoin.
insane.
Just for Bitcoin. Come on, rock those Raven colors.
Gosh. Oh, that purple. It just looks so like so basic.
What does?
Like when you restream and you have it set up where you're seeing multiple people's faces and then also somebody's screen, it has like a background to it and it just looks horrible. So I changed it to my like stream logo.
Bro, Casey last night had like a little like spooky Halloween looking one.
That's cool. That's dope. Very cool. Well, we got 20 minutes till open. I'm ready to see what the week has to offer. I don't know. Honestly, I might take even smaller than a normal position or than like the half positions I've been taking to start. I don't know. We'll see. I kind of just want to start shit off slow because I mean, I haven't really heavily traded in an election. I mean, I was around for the last one, but to say I was really trading it actively, especially like trading it actively and knowing what I'm doing, it's just didn't happen. So this is new for me. MPU in anything?
Nah.
Yeah.
Too close to the open here. I mean,
Yeah.
you get down here maybe 120, maybe you try it, but I don't know. Monday morning is probably the day I least want to be in a trade at the open.
Crypto Amazon spaces. Let's go, baby.
Oh.
Yo.
Yo, 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 yo.
How was the weekend?
Oh, it was great. Fucking, I'm recharged. I'm ready to go. No, it was fun though. NQ looks a little gross here, but
You know,
Nvidia
Thomas-
looks fine over yesterday's or Friday's high.
Thomas,
What's up,
to your point, he said once the election is decided, the market will move like crazy. So the biggest risk with the market is the uncertainty. The market wants to know what's coming. But even beyond the market or beyond the presidential election, the biggest thing is to watch like the Senate and the House, because like if it stays a split Congress, you don't have much variability. So I think that's where you're going to be, that's where you should really focus. Like if they keep it split power between the House and the Senate, it's still going to be tough to pass anything that really like fundamentally changes a whole lot. So that's a big piece of the uncertainty, right? It's not just does Trump win or does Kamala win. I still think I think we find out by Saturday. That's my prediction, but we'll see what happens. There could be all kinds of recounts, and I mean some of you
there's
weren't
gonna be
around.
bullshit. I smell it.
Yeah.
There's gonna be some bullshit
But
for sure.
some of you weren't around back in like 2000 when we had it was Al Gore. Gore Lieberman was the ticket, and they called for a big recount in Florida back in the day. Have you guys completed your lessons? Paul, I have not. I'm an off the cuff speaker anyway, but just for the mastermind class itself, which I have like a month until my full lesson. But I'm gonna try to get some type of decent like PowerPoint visual, with some hardened information in it. I've got the raw part of it, but I've got to make it look good.
I have talking points, but me and Paper are doing it together. So I think me, Paper, and Sim are doing a thing together with psychology. So psychology is just, dude, that's just I just want bullet points. I just want it to be straight from my head. I've always done that too. So
that's how I am. When I talk about psychology, I'm so much better just giving examples.
I have done like some presentations, like doing hedge pressure presentations and stuff with Rocket Scooter, and like that's when I like if I'm showing a strategy or something, that's when I like make a PowerPoint of it and everything. But other than that, like talking market psychology and stuff, I know. Okay, I want it to be from me. You know what I mean? Not me like reading off a screen or something. But I definitely got to have some talking points that I want to mention, and I mean, basically just go back. It's gonna be Paul. It's just gonna be clips of the stream. Literally, it's gonna be flashbacks to the stream of me screaming at you.
In and out scalps minimum. If you've never gone through this like a week like this before, just observe and write down what your findings, and it's probably going to be a really good call. reduce your risk off the table. Unless you're in for the volatility, then it's going to be a hell of a ride.
Yeah. And just to
Sure
remind
be
everybody,
around.
VIX is at 2250. So remember how VIX acts when we're over 20, right?
Yeah, no, this is going to be a crazy week. I just posted some level above. I mean, seriously, size appropriately, trade appropriately. It's going to be volatile. Earnings, election, and FOMC. So there's so much that's going to be, going through this week.
Yes, sir. U.S. chip tool makers enforce Washington restrictions, move to cut China from supply chains. Ooh. Wait, where's the fucking... Oh, this is it, right? No. Is that the normal chart?
No, I've been looking at
There it
Kalshi
is.
more.
Yeah, Kalshi too. Kalshi's a good one too. I might be doing some work with Polymarket in the future. We'll see.
You wonder, because they're making such a push for the election, you wonder how much they're going to push. Like they're going to have to do another campaign to get people.
Dude, I keep forgetting to claim this shit over the weekend.
Oh, fuck, I did too.
Fuck.
I've got to tinker around with some of the trivia for tomorrow morning space.
Yes, sir.
I've got to get a tweet out for that too.
That daily on NQ looks scary, y'all, a little bit. Bulls can buy it up whenever they want, for sure, but I don't know. I don't think this looks good here. Daily EMAs are trying to cross down. I mean, they don't have to let that happen, but it just I feel like we need to go lower to get some bigger buyers. We'll see. Morning, Austin. Some video gonna get under yesterday's high. Morning, Mihai.
Mihai.
I think I had a cup of coffee. What the fuck?
Or is it a 2-cup type of day?
No, it's 3-cup. Fuck. Oh, I gotta do it. I don't know why I got like more like sleep feels like and more tired.
I woke up early and I was confused.
Yeah.
Took a shower and everything. Like I was like, let's go.
It's always a better day if you can shower before you fucking
That doesn't happen often.
Trade. Yeah, it don't happen often.
Usually I wake
Especially
up
on
and
my
I'm
side
straight
of the world.
downstairs.
I don't get that privilege like ever,
Nah.
really. The only time that happens is when I'm out of the club all night and I don't go to sleep. I just shower and then start spaces, which is rare. I can't do that. It's fucking hard. All right. I'm going to get some coffee. I'll be back. And feel free to share your screen or whatever. I don't care.
Okay, let's do it. Market's opening in 10 minutes here. Okay. So again, I'm gonna be saying this so much over the next few days. We have election, we have earnings, and we have FOMC. This is gonna be a crazy week. Gotta size appropriately, be patient, and trade appropriately. There's gonna be a lot of volatility. VIX is over 20. I mean, we could see big swings in the market, 2 to 4%, even higher. So, depending on what happens, there's always going to be a reaction
Like
on
the Jersey
election.
Lightning?
There's always going to be a reaction on FOMC.
My favorite Mexican soccer team.
So just
Leon.
trade appropriately, be patient, and be ready. That's for sure.
I was telling Jordy that's probably going to be my thing. I'm going to be just going to be a soccer jersey guy on stream. Because that's kind of how I am in real life anyway. Soccer jerseys or like a athletic polo. So that's basically my wardrobe. I'm more of a comfort guy. I'm not a big fashion guy. I'm a comfort guy. There he is.
All right, more coffee's been acquired. Look, dude, can you see the steam coming off this motherfucker, dude? She's hot. She's hot.
A little bit of
Mm-hmm.
a little bit of I said.
All right, fresh coffee.
Today?
What's up, Garlic?
I was checking if we have any data today.
Lightning said it's
of.
also my country's color, green and red. That's Portugal, right? Green and red?
We have factory orders at 10. We have
Lightning, is that right?
durable goods, 3-year note auction. Or 3-year note bid to cover high yield. Not much.
Jade. Oh, Morocco. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Morocco and Portugal do have the same colors. So, Lightning, I when I was in South Spain for 3 months, you could go down to Malaga and you could go down to Gibraltar, which is like a British colony that's like, I don't know, the size of a Walmart. It's like it's bigger than that, but it's like a square mile, and it's wild. They have what's it called, like a ferry that goes to Tangier, to Morocco. You can just jump on a ferry and it's like a 45-minute ride. You go to Morocco,
Got
across that Strait of Gibraltar, and
or 6
bro,
minutes.
Jordy, if you ever go out there,
Mhm.
Gibraltar, so like the tip of Spain, it has this little British colony, and it's just this like rock, and the airport, like the runway, goes
Mhm.
across the road.
Oh, shit.
They
That's
stop
dope.
traffic and the plane lands, and then they like open up the gates and you drive.
That's sick. I love that shit.
And then you can
I
grab a
saw-
little you can grab a ferry from there and go over to Morocco, like, you know, the tip of Africa.
Yeah. Dude, look at this. Look at this shit, y'all. I'm fucking, dude, this is just Jordy right here. You see that? Walk out. Look at that. Just fucking on the beach, having a nice meal. That's me right there. I saw that. I'm like, that's all I want right there. Ooh, yeah, it is. We're good. Bad. Going short here in ES. Uh-oh. Hey. Right before the open. Savage. All right, y'all, let's have a good open. Market's kind of rugging. Little ruggy rug.
Yeah, we're pulling down. I want to see us run right into 2080.
Pull her down.
Come on, pull through.
Nvidia's losing. Friday's high. Needed to hold that area.
I'm not gonna get it. Okay.
Are you trying to pick up something right now? Into the open?
I was trying to get 2080, but
You're a savage. Love it.
it's not gonna come down there.
Morning Dynamite 0. My dogs. Hello, NFP levels. There we go. Fucking A.
Mihai's going short on ES right here. That's a tough call. 750 is a pretty big level, by the way, that you're shorting right into right before the open. That is a tough call.
So, Amp, I'm just noticing on Qs, we got November NFP low is set at 45.20. I don't know if I'm really looking to buy NQ until we're at least testing that for the scalp long, if I'm looking that way.
I was just telling Spaces that, or the whatever the other space group, I was just saying, look, there's you had a big down day on Thursday, you had an inside day Friday, so your easy, quick watches for today are your high and low from Friday, and then your high and low from Thursday.
Yeah.
So from here to here, breaking out of either one of those is a good directional sign. As you approach them, my strategy is to play the rejection back to the middle until something breaks, right? But if it breaks one side or the other, that's where you look for the back test and you get in on the train. Oh God! Every time Casey does the little caca thing, I just laugh.
Oh my God! Yeah, it's so funny.
Yeah, careful
Let's
with
get it now, 12.
ES right there at that 50.
Well, I didn't grab it. I thought we were gonna get the 80. We didn't.
No, you're good. A minute and a half. Let's have a great start to the week.
Yep. HIMS and PLTR report tonight. Those are going to be ones I'm watching.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's Knott's 2 favorite companies.
Yes,
Morning, everybody. How we doing?
Morning, B.
Good morning.
Morning, mates.
No, it's good afternoon for crypto. Gonna be a short day for Thomas. Yeah, Thomas is gonna get his money and get out. I feel that. That's probably the whole week, to be honest. Well, nice bounce.
Yeah, it was a very nice bounce.
Not that try. I'm not really looking to buy this until we see like Friday's low. Wherever NQ is sitting at when QQQ hits its November NFP low, that's where I would tread along. I just don't know exactly what level that's going to be on NQ. And we are open. Let's get Mr. Hedge pressure.
Okay, so bouncing into the 9 here on the 5. Nice wick, though. Nice hammer.
Hello. Log me in, please.
Trying to get over that 9.
Oh, rocket screw's not working.
I got a 2-minute long. Oh, no long. Okay.
I would think long here at the open, but I don't like treating the open.
Light positive R side.
Yeah.
Apple, pretty big candle here at the open.
Okay.
Yeah, Apple, that's a stick. Dying.
Rivian's sticking right now.
Rivian got a stick. Coinbase.
It's Thursday.
Well, that candle got fucking slapped off the 21. Bye-bye. Jeez.
Big time.
Oh,
You know who was probably short that?
Microsoft new
Frank.
lows.
Yeah, Frank fucked that over right there. I already know I did.
Probably Frank.
Right off the open.
Boy, SMCI is getting smoked.
Oh, again, jeez.
Yeah, they're bringing it right down. Quick 50 points right there. Wow. Okay.
SMCI is still dying, apparently.
I
Oh
heard
yeah. That
possible story
that's
that
just
NVIDIA
insane.
is diverting orders from SMCI.
Mm. Wow. Oh, I need to bring up fucking liquidity. All these. Do you see what I do, Em? I have fucking every tab open for each different one.
Okay, so we breached below that low that we just had 10 minutes ago before we had the big bounce. Boy, they brought it right back. Really quick return there.
We broke the previous day. No, hold on. Let me get to QQQ. We got to watch the previous day low, which is NFP low. It's probably worth a shot long if we get down there.
That's what I'm waiting for on QQ. I want to see NFP low, and then I mean, I'm trying. I'll try it.
I don't know if I want to grab it though here now. I grabbed a little bit at 70. Ooh.
I think I want to try it. Let's see how this momentum is.
I have a step here. 74, 75.
QQQ is almost at NFP low for November, 45.20 knots.
What was the number?
45.20 on QQQ. So I'm waiting for NQ. I'm waiting for QQQ to hit that and then see how NQ wants to act around that.
Okay. I stopped out of that very small starter. Yeah, I'm going to wait here. I kind of felt like we would break through once we got through that quick.
God, it's just early. I hate trying to long this early when we haven't seen a bounce already. Coming into NFP low here. Qs. We also have liquidity at 20,060 on NQ.
Yeah, I'm in no hurry here. I should have grabbed the short off the Oppo short.
Here's the Friday's low getting broken on QQQ as well as NFP low.
Yeah.
Nice bounce with the 2043 there. I want to see this come lower though.
That was a nasty candle for
light
NFP
long
low.
shot right here.
Yeah.
It's a little bit early. I don't like trading this first half hour.
That's another thing. Yeah, it's
possibly
early.
a spot here to try it.
Okay, so we're looking for a move down to 2017 on NQ. 2017, 2010. That 17 level, big spot. We tried to bounce there a couple of times over the past few days. Over Thursday, sorry.
Coming into Friday's low on NQ here.
Right here is your pivot point. I'm taking it. I'm going to try the long here.
Yeet it. I started a small one. Started a small long here on NQ personally.
Yeah, I grabbed some. 2017 was my average.
We're at yesterday's, or I keep saying yesterday's, Friday's low. I'm not adding it though, man. It's a big week. I'm starting it small. I don't feel very comfortable.
Yeah, I've got a starter along here. Kind of taking a second ad.
I'm trimming some off here. Up 20.
Get in, Knotswell. Where's my VWAP? There we go.
I might want to drop it. Let's see. This is a strong level the other day, though. Trim some off again at 31. Stop and profit.
Yeah, we're in a big spot, man.
Hey, my ace in the whole newsletter's out.
What's that at?
My ace in the whole newsletter came out.
Oh, yes, sir. Let's go.
Shout out.
Wow.
I just checked my email.
I called on Qs. They were literally 0.84. We just bumped and they're 0.78. How is that fucking possible?
It's tough because it's still the first hour or first half hour. But we're in such a heavy spot. This is what last night on our stream, Jordy, we talked about. This is the area I was saying there's thousands and thousands of people
buyers
in this area.
Yeah.
Like they have long positions here.
Stock in the world.
Shout out Gaba. He caught 150
So
points on NQ's days done. Let's go.
Previous day low and the NFP low.
Shout out Gaba, baby. Let's go.
We're still pushing here. Pushing higher. I have a stop. Even on my remaining. Actually, I'm going to put it in profit. Get a little bit better. There we go.
Emp, I don't know about you. I do not feel great about putting size on here. I'll catch 40 points with 2 cons. I don't give a fuck. Like,
yeah, I'm pretty light.
I'm not feeling it. But I'll take one off there.
Okay, so now we're coming into that recent spot, that 2044.
I have a trim set at 70.25. I'm long at 20.50. But I'm playing really light, guys. I mean, even on the future, I'm playing light. I'm not doing anything heavy here.
Damn, I should have gotten to those calls. Check there right now.
It's a massive week, and I don't feel comfortable coming into a Monday being the first trade, putting on a bunch of size.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
It's scary. I'm keeping it light.
See if we can get back to 70, which was the overnight low.
That's where I have a trim at 70.
Yeah. That was where we opened up. It's my first, it'll be my next trim. I took a little safety trim here, up 15 points or so from my average.
Barely moved on Qs. I'm really happy.
If I was in a normal position, I would have already trimmed out majority position, just letting people know. So let me this down. Give me filled.
I'm going to take another trim into 70 here.
I moved my
this is the overnight low where we opened Sunday night.
We just have runners here.
I got one
right there. There's
trim
40
out.
points.
Stops are in profit.
Wow.
Boom.
put my
All
stop.
right,
at
I'm
26
out. I'm out half
now.
here. 50-point gain.
We're at
I just
70
took it.
points here.
I'm all out. I'll take mine. That's 60 points. Even though I was light, I'll take that all day.
I'm 70 points.
Not a bad way to start the Monday. I'll take it.
Okay, I'm all out. Got stopped.
Yeah,
700.
we're hitting bottom VWAP band right now that we've kind of just been riding under pre-market and 9 EMA for the first time, so I took all out.
So that 2017 came into play again.
Holding all day? Damn.
Big.
I'm definitely not in that mindset this week. I'm in the complete opposite mindset personally of taking profits pretty much as fast as possible. This week is just it's gnarly. I don't want to fuck with it. I'd rather miss out. I really don't care. I'd rather miss out. That gets you Mihai. If you got conviction, baby, play it. I don't feel like I have a whole lot of edge going into this week. Now, depending on how the charts look and what's happening, we'll see if that is indeed true, right? But I know just going into a week like this is it's a recipe to screw me up. So I'm being careful.
And Discord still got these stupid sounds.
Oh my god, the fucking Halloween sounds. Well, that was a nice morning play.
We were in our
think.
private chat together. How about this long, Jordy?
Yeah, dude. Watch this 132.50. This is a level I marked it so long ago, and it's still there. And
I'm gonna take another trim here. I'm up about 70 points.
yeah, M just took a trim on his long 70 points there. Get that in. Beautiful. I couldn't really leave any runners because I only had 2 contracts anyway, so. When did I take those 2? $82, $68.50, $82. Reminder for the Spaces audience, myself and Amp are doing a dual stream live on YouTube. If you guys want to tune into that, I'll throw the link up top. But we're gonna be doing a lot more of these dual streams, a little more of a show, a little stock market show. So feel free to tune in. That link's up top. And then Emp will be in Spaces soon. He's on the other Spaces right now. But that's why it's cool. We're like both on different Spaces. Then we're both on stream together. It's kind of
90 points.
We're at the small.
Oh.
25.
90 points here from M Century. Emp, what was your entry? Mine was 2050. Where'd you get it?
That's where I took my starter, and then I added.
Okay, yeah.
My average is 35.
Where did he get in at?
He took a starter where I did it 2050, and then he added, brought his average up a bit.
Okay.
Here, I'll Where's your Discord?
I'm gonna start a short at 125 here.
Oh, this guy. I actually don't hate it right here, but I think we might pop until like another 10 minutes.
Good. I gotta stop at 34.
You know how they like to do it lately? It's like that first 30 minutes, we kind of go one direction, and then into the orb forming for the 30 minutes, we get that bounce or rejection the other way. It's obviously not always going to just be timed like that, but I've just noticed lately it's played out like that a lot. Whoa, Rusty's ripping. Hello.
I was just about to say IWM. Rusty.
Rusty's cooking.
Rusty.
Gold's not doing much. Crude oil not doing much. I don't hate that short, Knots. My 130, I have a level 132.50 I marked a long time ago. It's still sitting here.
Yeah, I just covered some out.
That's smart, yeah. Take it when you see it.
Starter now.
I definitely could see us pushing to that 200 figure. And that's where orb high kind of sits. I could see that. It's definitely where I'm more inclined to take a short. Get him 100 points.
£100 is going to be VWAP.
I kind of want to lock this and just move to the next count, even though it's not a bunch of profits. It's good enough for this week to start the Monday for me. Also, now I could perk that up a little bit more with one good play. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna push it to VWAP here at 2142. I'm all out.
Let's go.
If they want to go a little more crazy, 164. Aggo's been long since 2070.
Very nice.
All right, there's 100 points. I'm out 80%.
Nvidia's pushing higher.
Let's go, Amp. Fuck yeah, baby. Good shit.
Just got the yawnies.
Not getting the yawnies.
Did y'all hear my trim on here? I don't know if I'm muted.
Yeah, no, I heard it. Thank you.
Okay, 100 points.
Yes, sir. We do have factory orders month over month coming out. Durable goods. Right here at 10 o'clock. I don't know about you, Em, but I'm watching that 200 figure. I might throw some orders up there if we start moving closer for a quick short. When you guys say 100 points, is that a 100% increase or increase the value of the trade by $100 contract or what? It's 100 points on the futures. So like just like $100 gain on QQQ, that's 100 points. It's the same thing. It's just $100 on NQ. So from From 100 to 200 is 100 points. From 160 to 60 is 100 points. And then each contract, each contract, depending on what you're trading, has a certain amount of dollars per points.
Kind of got out really quick.
So depending on if you trade NQ or MNQ, right? Each contract, each point you catch with one contract is going to be more dollars or less dollars, depending on if you're trading NQ, ES, MES, MNQ. It depends.
I'm looking.
So that's how you can kind of gauge how much somebody's up on a play too. If you know they're in 10 contracts on NQ and they're up 20 points, you know they're up fucking pretty fat, you know. But you guys can also just see my contracts and literally see the dollars, so it makes it easy too.
Every rejection was VWAP perfectly.
Yeah.
So for this spread, thanks you.
Hey, let's go, Matthew. Appreciate you, baby. Guys, if you missed the scalp that me and Emp got there, I mean, to be honest, I don't hate coming in to this back test of 70s. I don't hate that for another long try, to be honest. It's not horrible. It's riskier, though. It's definitely riskier. Well, it depends on your trading style, though. Some people, depending on their style, might be like, that's way less risky than trying to pick bottom. But for me, picking bottom was actually less risky because I had more confluence for it.
Doing it a tad early.
It's weird how that works sometimes. It's like, okay, I might be trying to kind of pick the bottom here, but it's like my risk to reward is a lot better than if I tried to do anything else. So
Especially with what we have coming.
I have 1,000 things here telling me that we could bounce. You know what I mean? That's where it's hard. I don't like to wait for that confirmation. I'd rather take the risk and have a stop in.
We still have a gap fill to the upside on QQQ. SPY didn't really have much of a gap to fill, but
Yeah.
QQQ still has one. To 487.44.
So you sold the 480.
Orb is about to form.
Sold the 492 call.
Yeah, I've still got about 5 minutes to the orb.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark it already. It's formed. I'll move it if I need to.
Trying to hold it here. I got it almost down to that 2090.
I really want this thing to get to 150. The pivot point's at 158, 159, somewhere in there. Come on, Bulls.
Bringing up the VWAP. So we have our orb highs and lows in this. The same spot for the 15 and the 30. So it could be a very easy orb day on that regard.
But Jordy, I gave the other spaces a 100-point trade, so I feel like I can focus on the stream now.
Oh yeah.
They got some sauce for a Monday.
That was a
morning.
banger. That was solid. Obviously, like hindsight's like, yeah.
I just had such a heavy level down there.
Yeah. No, I'm happy I followed.
Lightning, what news do you need us to watch for you?
Yeah, because I always got my eyes looking out.
$2.
I literally got fast stock news notifications on at all times, and Evan.
Mikey is
Jordan, you
going
still
long DraftKings.
Damn.
They have earnings
What's
today.
up, Knots?
Are you still long?
No, I'm all out. I took profit for 60 points.
Nice.
If we get up into that 200 figure, I might try a short for scalp. Other than that, I mean, I don't hate the long on the back test of 70s area.
Yeah.
Here. If you miss the initial long that we caught, so, but it's riskier. But I wouldn't be surprised if we go back test 200. We're holding structure though right now. This dip, it's not like it's getting sold off super hard.
You're holding here.
Get over that 140 VWAP, things could be good.
Kind of a chance there that we saw the big bounce off of the NFP low. Supposed to maybe go right up to the NFP high.
Yeah.
Keep it in mind.
That's where we were taking those longs. I was waiting for KQQ to get to NFP low. It hit it, and then NQ dropped like another 10, 20 points, and that's when I added to it.
What do we have for those highs and lows?
For QQQ, NFP low is 45.20. NFP high is 490. Wait, what is it? Fuck, it's loaded.
485.20?
Yeah, for the low.
So 569s and 575s for spot though. Sorry.
Yeah. 490.75 is the high, knots for Qs.
And I'm still long, by the way.
Heard that. Yeah, no, I like it. Looks good. If I bought more contracts down there, I would be holding a runner, but I ain't load enough. Too scared this week. It's fucking a scary week ahead of us. And now too, that means too, if I take any other plays, I can't really size any heavier than I did, or else it's just too easy to wipe out all my gains. So.
And you said the high was what? 490.
490. Oh fuck, that's the wrong one. 490.75.
It looks like we're gonna push through here, get to that VWAP at 140, and try to test from there.
No,
Are
it's
we
not
doing
bad,
chat?
Jade. You don't know how many times I've left the stream on and running, and I've gone and done that. I get you.
You don't want to
Trust
see the
me.
collection of empty nicotine.
Oh, you want, dude? You want, dude? I used
No.
to have a bag full of Zin cans, bro.
Bro, I mean,
Like I could build a fortress with Zin cans. Wait,
I need to get rid of it.
homie's you got a bunch, huh? Oh shit! Bing bong, Emp. I didn't see that.
Yeah, receipts.
Very nice. Receipts. Very nice.
Factory orders are out.
All right, factory orders are in there like swimming.
Come on, fill this gap. All right.
Okay, there's that NFP.
QQQ just filled the gap I was
Yeah.
looking for. I took a small trim there down
not
to
NFP.
just 10% of our position.
VWAP, sorry.
Let's go. This is easier than Spaces for us following the trades, I believe. Yeah, I would be careful following us on trades, brother. The stream's like 20 seconds delayed. I would be very careful doing that. Taking what we're doing and having a similar trade, I totally agree with that, but make sure you're having your own plan, please. I love the stream and stuff, but I don't I don't share my screen just so everybody can follow. I share it because I want you to see what I'm looking at and see everything I'm doing, but I don't want people just taking my random positions. But yeah, if you're in the audience and you're trying to follow trades, I mean, be very careful because, I mean, it's delayed. It's going to... What you're seeing right now is not what's happening right now. Like, you're seeing like 20 seconds delayed. Unfortunately, I wish I could change that. It usually isn't like that. It's usually real time. But with doing the dual stream on Restream, for whatever reason, they added a delay, and I can't control it, so...
Oh, yeah, she was going to pushing it right to that WAP. That VWAP. Ooh. They're clinging it right back down, though. That was a 10-point drop in one tick there.
I'm throwing some orders into the figure at 200 for a short scalp, but still light. I'm on West Coast time, Macadelic, and then Amp is on East Coast time. Yeah, no, for sure, Matthew. No, I see what you're saying, for sure. I just want to make sure, you know, I just don't want people following trades just randomly. Oh, you're central. Yeah, sorry. You're not east,
So,
you're central. Forget.
I'm central time for the next 6 months anyway.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm central time the entire year. You guys are the weird ones that change now.
Yeah, we change it. Ooh, let me get hedge for SPY. It wasn't working at first, but now I think it's all good. I think. Let's see. Yes, it is. Here we go.
Let's see if they get under this 21 EMA here. Or if they finally push it past the VWAP. Ooh, the Saints just fired Dennis Allen after his 7th straight loss.
I'm getting a hedge pressure posted up top. It wasn't working for me this morning, but now it is. So that is in spaces.
Bullish or bearish?
Technically, it's looking for shorts off of 572.50 for SPY. If we get over that and we get, I mean, really we could chop around that because it's 572.50 hedge pressure is in between the bull and bear zone, which is for Rocket Scooter, they call that max pain, meaning, I mean, there's the bull, neither side is winning. So until we get above 573, which is the start of the bull zone, or below 572 again, it's kind of just going to be stuck there, I think. But then we have monthly hedge at 575, and that's usually a little bit of a magnet. So maybe we get into that bull zone. Okay. I don't know, but yeah, that's what it's looking like.
Yeah, I'm just waiting here. No reason to push it.
Rusty new high.
Rusty's ripping.
It's right at that 220 though.
They're holding though.
Come on, hold this 21 and move up. You know what's crazy is there's no real orders up there, Jordy, until 350.
I know. I just noticed that. We'll see if any pop up if we start getting closer to there, but yeah, I might cancel that. We'll see.
I just think all those people are long from that same area.
Mm-hmm. I hear you, brother. So, audience, let me know. Do we like the stream setup like this? I mean, I can get a little more customizable with it, I think, and like add some shit. I don't know. But are we vibing with this? Because I think we're gonna see a lot more of this. Because me and Emp are gonna, we like doing it. I don't think it looks bad. It's a little different than what we're used to, but I think it looks pretty good.
I'm gonna go for target. Yeah.
Honestly,
Sure, if 158 is your pivot point. If we can get past that, we should see the 180s.
Yeah.
Like 183-ish. Nothing looks like a short to me right now.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna go get a drink. Cancel this for now. I'll be back. Here, I'll do.
This VWAP is being a killer right now. Ooh-wee. So they're struggling up here. Shooting star on the 3. I got nothing right now. Flat.
Did we hit the pivot point? We were close. Honestly, I want us to hold 118. If not, 100 obviously, but 118 immediately would be much better. It's ejecting VWAP right here.
Okay. That condor, I'm going to add to it. So I added to the condor. Now it's 20. Still that. God, I got like the odds this morning. The hell? Yeah, they're just jumping. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
I expect things might slow down here pretty soon. Maybe one or two little impulse moves, then maybe we'll see kind of what happens.
Okay, coming into the 9 on the 5 here at 21.21.
Where's CR at? I don't know. I saw him earlier.
You dropped there. What did I do?
Oh yeah, I forgot. CR's he's listening through the phone. Yeah, I forgot from this morning. He was a little busy.
There we go, Bulls. Come on. Oh, Mikey just went long Walmart.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Of course he did.
Okay, they held that 9 EMA. Trying to bounce it. A lot of indecisive candles here, though, so you got to be careful. Again, this is where that part of being patient, waiting for your trade. This is going to be a crazy week. So you just really got to be careful.
Coin low-key failed. It low-key completely failed. There's no reason Bulls couldn't close that month looking strong the way it was, and they didn't. It's bad. It's not good, in my opinion. I don't like that. They had every reason they could have closed that month strong right there, and they didn't. It was looking phenomenal, and now it looks like shit on the monthly. That's annoying as fuck. That's how those monthly candles go. What's up?
Take your spot, and then you just relax.
Yeah.
IWM is ripping.
Fuck. Hello. Hello. Oh my god.
IWM is nonstop.
Let her cook.
Still holding that 9 EMA, 120 on NQ.
If you're long rusty this morning, congrats.
Yeah, that thing is cooking.
Mm-hmm.
It is coming to a spot here, like 220.50. But if it pushes through, it goes 221.40. So watch 220.50 on IWM. If it pushes through, watch 221 and then 221.40.
Zero is looking at Hood. I haven't looked at Hood. Where's Hood?
They're holding here. Also had a support or prior support and or resistance at 117, which we just basically bounced off of.
Come on, Bulls. Flag this thing out higher.
Bulls are holding on, that's for sure.
It is just hard for me to want to touch it
hard
all.
spot.
Right. I mean, it just had earnings. It's like I don't want to fucking do anything with it yet. I don't know.
Today's that third day if you're doing the 3-day roll.
Yeah. I don't see a whole lot of just opportunity here at this moment.
Come on, hold these EMAs and push.
I will be honest, though, it's going to be hard for me to like anything this week. So just keep that in mind when you're sending charts, guys. Like it's going to be very difficult for me to really like anything. It's gotta look good.
If I'm muted, it's because I'm talking to Discord or Spaces. I have 3
you're
combos
good.
going on in my head right now.
You're gnarly, bro. You're good. Don't worry.
Plus the squawker. It's like
It's a lot. Looks like I'll kick it back. That's what it looks like. Oh,
Tesla looks constructive.
take another nap.
Meta, okay. There's a Nvidia can catch some buys here. What's AMD? Is AMD getting
Nvidia.
AMD looks. Look at this. Look at this AMD recovery.
Oh boy. Oh yeah. It's actually looking all right. Coin, what happened? Oh.
Here.
Apple's looking good too.
Here we go, longs.
They got it.
The longs are longing.
Yep, they got it. Took it down that.
If you're looking for
117,
targets
from
at
there,
158
they
pivot
ripped
point,
IWM
and
over that
then I'm looking for
220.48,
183.
going right to the 221 Friday high. NQ is above, above orb high, but still fighting right here. So they
J
brought it right
Fox,
back
nice trade.
It's 130
RTY.
points for me and M Century.
down. Brought it right back down.
Yeah, J Fox, good stuff, man. Our Hood and AMD, not the same chart except Hood. Well, they might look the same, but I mean, we all know they're nowhere.
Now they're trying to get it through.
Bro,
Nothing
Jordy, you know what I
like.
should have longed?
Ran into the 165.
What?
Should have longed Home Depot.
Oh,
After
boy.
the ridiculous amount I spent on a fucking Christmas tree.
Home Depot.
NVIDIA's not even helping right here.
Look at the back test. You see the back test right there?
On the day
Yeah.
and new high day.
Look at that. That's the back test on the daily right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then go down to like your 15 minute and look at it this morning,
Apple
or even your 30 minute.
Oh, hello.
Is that buy zone down there too?
Very nice.
Beautiful. Come on,
Very
give us
nice.
183. Honestly, on NQ, you had a couple rejections in the 170s that you may have to watch for this morning, pre-market kind of highs.
Mm-hmm. Still keeping an eye on that 200 figure if we get up there. But
yeah, I'm looking to start a short around 188, 189, and then add.
Come on, 183.
If it happens. Or I'm looking to short IWM if it gets.
What were you saying, Paul? You're saying the yearly chart on Hood and AMD look the same. I mean, I don't see that.
That AMD monthly is wild.
I don't see a correlation. Our cook here, looking good.
Boy, Rusty is flying.
Yeah, Tesla's looking good. It's coming up to its NFP low for November, 246.63. Any issues with Top Step today? Not for me, but I also was in a trade for like 5 minutes. So.
No, I've been in a trade since early, and I haven't had any.
Yeah.
But, you know, when
No
you're sitting in a
problems.
trade, it's hard to tell if there's any issues, right?
True. That's weird, Aaron. I've never had that. I was thinking about taking a short up here into 200. I'm not even going to try it. I have a few points to confluence. I don't think enough. It's a spot, though. Is there any liquidity up there, though? Not really. I have maybe 2 points of confluence. That's not really enough for me. So I like the spot. I like the spot 200, but that's not enough. There's a lot of momentum to the upside here, so I'm not just going to step in front of this freight train when I have maybe 2 points of confluence here.
I'm taking my last trim right here on the NQ longs.
Nice. Pushing into 200. I don't have resting orders up here anymore. A lot of momentum to the upside, and I really only have 2 points of confluence here. There's no liquidity up here, really.
Oh, shit. Jordy.
I don't have a big reason to step in this. What's up, Eb? You still long?
This is basically full target. I've just got the runner left. That's all I care about. That's over 150 points.
Yeah.
I am going to try something that, like.
Yeah, there you go, J Fox. Great stuff. Switch accounts. Hang out. If you get an opportunity that you really like, then you take it with the different account. Don't jeopardize the gains you've made. I like that. It's the way to do it. I'm still on this account because, I mean, $200 is great, but I know I can do a little bit better. So I'm willing to take another trade on here, but we'll see. This was right around my entry price for some shorts.
This is definitely a possible short spot.
It's a spot.
I personally, just the way we're ripping right now, I don't like it. But just based on what we just did, there's a chance you get a small little pullback here.
Yeah, I'm with you. I don't hate it, and I think we can pull back. It's just I really have 2 points of confluence again. It's like that's not enough. Not really.
There we go. Covered some out here on NQ.
Oh, not sniping it, eh?
I have a stop at 98 now and profit by a few points.
Let's go. I was thinking about it.
A little 20-point stop if you shorted off at 200.
Yeah, that's what
That's what
Garlic just got.
This is
not bad.
merrier together. Celebramos juntos. Can you see that?
I got stops and profit.
Who wants to celebrate together?
I don't trade
These
futures.
loans.
What is the closest to MNQ? What, like for options? QQQ. It's the same thing. It's just options instead of it's stock and options instead of futures. I will say they're gonna move completely differently though. Like the chart will be the same, but how your profits move based on what you're buying is gonna be completely different. It's gonna be completely different.
So I started that IWM short at Friday's high here at 221. I have an upwards move to 221.40 where I'm perfectly fine to add. I have a smart.
It's gonna be a good day, Tater.
Good day, dude. Damn, you just made me want, dude. I want fucking potatoes and bacon.
No, you know what I really want? One of those like hash brown casserole thing, like it's got like the bacon and the cheese and ham.
I'm gonna need to make breakfast. Damn. Sounds so good. Or steak and eggs. Oh.
Over 30 points here on NQ short.
Let's go, Knotswell. Good shit, baby.
Thanks, Big Dog. Coming into the 9 on the 2 minute at 64, 164. That's also a big support for me.
Take it back down to VWAP here.
If they take it down at VWAP, that would be very hot. I got stopped in profit on NQ short over 20 plus points, 25 points on that.
First off, I love this dual stream thing we've got going on. This is awesome. Hope you guys
It's
are
working
enjoying
great.
it.
I love it.
Shout out to total between the two channels. I believe there's 65 people watching us right now, 66. So
Let's go, baby.
Shout out to you guys.
We're gonna keep it running.
There's not a red candle in sight on IWM right now. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Who was it in the chat? Somebody in the chat caught that. One of y'all sniped RTY. Who was that?
J Fox. J Fox, I know.
J Fox.
RTY.
Oh, shout out to J Fox.
We're coming into some big NFP levels though on M2K. I would be careful if you're still on. I mean, it's hard to. 10-minute CBC this bitch as long as you can for sure. But just nice trim spots for sure coming into these big levels like that, because at some point it is going to stop, right? It's not just going to go up forever. So just be careful. Nah, it's good shit.
Okay, IWM is pushing higher. Perfectly fine. We're ready to add if need be.
Are you short RTY?
I'm not short RTY. I'm short IWM and contract.
Gotcha. Huh?
Very small starter position at Friday's high here, right at that 221 mark.
Mm-hmm.
And it's tomorrow expiration, so I'm good to add, and it won't drain as much. Oh my god, big stretch. Oof, man.
Is it Tariq? How do you pronounce that?
You're putting on AirPods
I like that
all day.
comment.
It's pretty bad that the earpieces communicate with each other to your brain.
That's why I use two different ones.
There you go. You use two different ones. That doesn't happen.
Two different ones, right?
You got to beat the system, man.
Well, I'm gonna take this phone call.
Heard. It's a business
I'll be right
man.
back.
Got phone calls. Hey, appreciate you, Game Ball. Yeah, we're gonna keep doing it for sure. It's a lot of fun. We caught some trades this morning. I mean, I caught one small. I'm happy with what we did with it, but I mean, not a huge day, obviously. But it's a decent start to the week. I might just trade the other account if I'm gonna trade it all, to be honest. The longer the day goes on where I'm like not seeing opportunities that I like, the more I'm gonna be influenced to lock my account that I already have profits in, even though it's small. Because on this type of week, profits like that, sometimes you gotta remember, like, I don't know, I feel like we forget that I mean, I used to bust my ass for 2 weeks straight to make like $350. And I just made $200 and that was 5 minutes trading this morning. Is $200 money that I can live off of? I mean, no, but on this type of week where there's a ton of risk and a ton of uncertainty and craziness, $200 in like 5-10 minutes when I used to work 2 weeks to make like $350. I mean, I'll take that all day. See, when you kind of explain it to yourself like that, you look at those smaller profits a little bit differently sometimes, especially when you know there's a lot of risk on the table.
Another rejection off of 572s on SPY, which is about the half gap of the NFP.
Yeah, good stuff, Game Ball.
See if they keep holding the 30 and the 9 and all those things.
Okay, we just got a shooting star there on the 2-minute on NQ. I think we just got the same thing on IWM. Yes, we did. Keep that on watch. Those are 2-week candles right there. Oh my God, yeah, the 5-minute on IWM. Okay, I'm gonna add to my position here.
Get it, baby. God, is oil gonna come and fill this gap, I wonder? Oh, that could be nice.
3-minute handyman on IWM as of right now. Two, 5, 10. Okay, right into my level here on IWM. And here is my ad. Okay. Added right at that level on IWM.
Let's go, baby. I have not taken any other trades since the morning scalp. You are good, Emp. No more data today, except for like 3-year note, high yield, bid to cover, stuff like that. But Nothing that's going to impact us too much. So tomorrow, election day. Trade balance, red book year over year, ISM services PMI, 10-year note.
Okay. 5-minute candle close over 221.75 on IDBM. I'd be out for a loss on the stop.
Oh, shit, bud, it's starting to slow down. That means I'm going to run some trivia soon. Guys, Carnival 2 is officially live, by the way. It's another event that Stream HQ is putting on. Fans, you guys have the potential to win $15,000. Us creators have the potential to win $10,000. So definitely worth participating for sure. I'll get the link posted. We'll run one of those soon. But we got 13 days, basically 14 days to get through this next carnival, the Carnival 2. They call it the Madness Continues. Let's go. I don't know. Last time, so I got to be in the top 10. Last time I was 14th place. I think we can do it.
For the questions?
Yeah, for the trivia. Yeah. There's some money to be made, but let's get that posted.
They're trying to push NQ down. If they get under 160, 163, gotta be careful for longs on NQ. Coming down to it right now.
All right, I did post the trivia link up top. I am going to wait a minute because Emp is on a call. I'm going to wait for him to get back so he can join in as well. But feel free to join the game room. We'll get that started in the next few minutes or so. Whenever Emp gets back. Let's go. Guys, I posted that link in the chat as well. If you guys are in the stream and you want to participate in the Spaces mini games, click on that link and get in the game room. I'm going to start the game as soon as Emp gets back. And like I was saying, guys, I mean, there's some big prizes potentially. So, I mean, it's worth it to answer a few questions and have some fun when the market's slow. I think to maybe have the potential to fucking win some big money like that. I think it's worth it. It's pretty cool and it's fun. We have a good time doing it. So, feel free to join that. We'll get that started.
I'm back.
Oh, Emp's back. I'm just getting everybody ready for trivia. So get ready.
Oh, I'm already in.
Let's go.
Well, you know I got eyes everywhere, right?
Always. Always.
Bro, I wish I had like a zoom feature and I could show you this on my other. The top of those two wicks on QQQ are exactly.
Oh yeah.
You see this line right here?
Yeah.
I know it's
They're
like
like
very
perfectly
small,
off that.
but right here, because it's a mirror camera, so this is like what we just did. The top of the tweezer right there.
Mm-hmm.
Both of them are right on this line.
Yeah. Oh, I flipped mine. Mine was mirrored too. I fucking flipped it because I couldn't do it.
Hold on.
You can flip it. Oh shit! So is that the real? Is that the real way it looks?
Let's see. From here, yes. Left to right.
Yeah, that's easier. There we go. Yeah.
All right, guess we'll do it this way.
I know. I like got on here and I'm so used to it looking one way. I like got on here and it flipped. I was like, I can't do that. No.
Yeah.
No, sir. All right. Let's get it started. Everybody, hope you're in the link. Hope you're in the game room. Guys on Spaces, everybody, hope you're in the game room. If you're not, get in there. That link is still sitting up top. I'm about to start the trivia questions. If you haven't done them at all, like since last week, they are a little bit harder. Whoa, there's a new game. There's a new game called Card Dash. I don't know what it is. We will try it out later today. I'm not going to try it out right now, but we will. I want to try that out. There's a new game. I knew they would do this. Come out with some new games. It's fucking awesome. Let's go. Okay, 3 minutes are on the board. Game room link is up top. Feel free to post your results in the comments. We love seeing those. But if you haven't ran through these questions before, these ones are a little bit harder than I was making them. So get ready. Hope you've been listening to Spaces. That's for sure.
What is the 2x leverage ticker for Netflix? Ooh, I know that one. What is the
NFLU?
Yes. Yes. What was the high of David? I still don't know this question.
I did lock that one account. The longer the morning goes on and I don't get what I want, the more I'm like, I'm just going to take my money there. And if I want to try something, I'll do it on a different account, especially on a week like this. I'm happy to take $200.
Can we just get to like 210? Because I added.
Minute and a half left on trivia. Still plenty of time to hop in there. Still trying to rip it here.
Oh, come on, here we go. Beautiful push off of the EMAs.
Get it.
You could only do this on a Google Chrome extension, Jordan?
No, I do it on my MacBook Safari.
No. Okay, that's weird. Oh, I guess I'll join the next one.
Yeah, no worries.
Get in on the fun.
I wonder what Card Dash is. We're going to try it out.
It's at 10:45. I think I'm going to wait till 11 before I take another trade. Good morning, though.
Good
morning.
I mean, it's been a good morning. Yeah. Damn, dude. We caught the bottom, shorted the top so far.
Damn. Motherfucker, not even 10 people in here. Goddamn. Nobody wants 15 grand just like handed to them? That's crazy, bro. You'd think everybody asks for handouts all the time. You'd think you think people will go crazy for that. That's wild.
I don't know. I tried to do it really quick. I got one right.
Oh, you got it in the last few seconds?
Yeah, so I just started clicking them so I could get through them all.
Oh my gosh.
I was trying to read it so quick.
I'll run another one, don't worry.
IWM, drop it down here. Watch this IWM.
Jordy, what are y'all doing? We're just chilling, baby. Me and him. I caught a trade on one account this morning. I was size small just because
Who's that? Never
Monday in the
sober?
week.
We're gonna move down.
But
like that name.
I have the other account open if I want to do
I
something
hate
with
being
it. But I don't think I will.
sober.
Yeah, our boy never sober.
No. What was that? Chief Keef?
Yeah,
Chief Keef?
cheeky.
I can't spell sober. I'm a smoker, afraid of a
Nice
drinker.
bounce on IWM. Damn.
Jordy, you remember that song?
Oh yeah, of course. Oh my gosh, I skated a contest to that song, dude.
Well, I have got to turn down Discord.
IWM, nice bounce.
Going off.
NQ, strong bounce off 163.
Their
again
conversations like
there.
overpowering.
Now they're trying to push that higher.
Am I hate being
So
sober?
IWM
That song is stuck in my
221.
head now.
NQ
Hello.
163.
Thanks, Never Sober.
That's what you gotta watch.
Glad you're here.
Those are where we could break below and look weaker. That's what bulls need to hold for those to push higher. IWM really going up here.
God, I'm like wondering why I'm sore. Dude, the golf has got me fucking. Oh.
Oh, look at Tesla.
Still in my
Still ripping.
short. I didn't trim it there. I should have.
Nvidia's flat as fuck.
It just had a big bounce though.
Not doing
It's
nothing.
trying to come back down again. So definitely a lot of resistance around that 221.40, 221.50. You got NQ trying to break out here. Let's see if we get it over this 200.
Jordy, check out these molletes.
If they do, they're going for
What's
wait.
220.
220.
That looks fire, bro.
Yeah.
That looks
Yeah, I'm about to crush this. I'll still be here, but I'm going to turn off the camera so I can just pig out on these real fast. I'm just going to crush them.
Oh my god, bro. That looks bomb. Damn, you're making me hungry. Oh.
Got that hanging.
I'm not bacon and potatoes and eggs and all that now. Shit.
Okay, here we go. NQ.
What body part gets sore from golf, Jordy? Your whole body, CR. Your entire body, bro. Like mostly just like your back, in my opinion. Your back is I mean, you're swinging with your body like a lot. That lower back is really fucking turning, you know what I mean? My arms don't really get sore. My hands do, just from like my shitty grips, of course. But it's because that's part of the swing is all body for the most part. At least on my swing, it is. I know a lot of people use their hands more, but I don't like to. It's inconsistent swing, at least for me. Using my hands too much, there's too much room for error.
After I get out of this IWM trade, I'm gonna go to.
So using my body, it's harder on your body, but it's like your swing is a lot more consistent that way. So I'd rather do that. But yeah, it's a fucking body workout, man. It's a body workout for sure.
So they hit it again right around 205 on NQ.
Especially too, like yesterday, I was at the range for like 3 hours. Like the amount of times I hit the golf ball, you won't hit in like fucking a whole round of golf. You know? What are you hitting your driver? Everything. everything. I would hit large bucket of balls, all my clubs, irons, drivers, hybrids, everything. Go putt for 45 minutes because I was tired from hitting. By the time I'm done putting, I'm ready to hit more. Go hit more. Or if I don't want to like hit at the range anymore, I go to like the sand trap. Go hit out the sand trap for an hour and a half. Just grind. Everybody like goes to the range, hits a small bucket, putts for like 10 minutes, goes home. I'm like, you're not going to get better playing like that. You got to do that fucking for hours and then go play rounds every week over and over. Distance, like on my driver, I think I hit like 240 and 250. Not very far. I don't use my driver that much often or lately. I'd rather pick one of my hybrids or honestly hit a 4-iron and fucking get in the fairway.
I think you saw this 200 mark.
But like, or yeah, I'll use my 3-wood or even honestly, like there's a lot of holes. This might sound weird, but like there's a lot of holes I've played where instead of my driver or my 3-wood, I'll break out like the 4 hybrid or the 5 hybrid. There's so many times where I've done that, and I way better for me personally. I like that a lot better. I'm just more consistent with those clubs at the end of the day. Driver I'm less consistent with, but I have been getting a lot better with it lately. I used to be able to, hit it like kind of far, but it's just like it would go everywhere. You know what I mean? Now I can actually fucking hit it straight. It's just like I can also hit it straight and way farther with a 4-iron than how I'm like now I'm hitting it straight with my driver, but not very far. It's like, damn, I can basically get my 4-iron just as far. It's like, what's the point? Yeah, tight fairways for sure. It's just like, why not go for the 4-iron? For sure. But I'm trying to get better with the driver. Spending more time on it. I think it's weird. I feel like most people I meet are good with the driver and bad with irons. I'm the opposite. I've always been decent with irons. It's like as soon as you put me on a tee, bro, I can't hit the ball. I don't know what it is. As soon as you put the ball on a tee, you'd think it's easier, right? Everybody thinks it's so much easier. Not for me. You put the ball on a tee, I don't know how to fucking hit it. It's hilarious. It's funny because driver swing and iron swing is completely different. When you're hitting an iron, you're compressing down on the ball. When you're hitting a driver, you're hitting up on the ball. You're swinging up on it. It's completely different swing. So it's like, for me, hitting up on the ball was a problem always. I could compress the ball all day, which is a good thing. I'd rather have a driver problem than an iron problem. I'm happy with that because I can substitute the driver with like all my other clubs, but still, like, it feels so good to hit a good drive. You hit a clean, just it feels so good. So I'm trying to get better at it. We'll get there. It's more time, man. It's more time on it. Just like anything else. Irons are for spin and accuracy. Yeah, man. I fucking love irons. I love irons. So much fun. And I just like, again, learning how to compress the ball properly.
Okay.
Where you barely even try to swing the club, but every time you make contact with the ball, it has that fucking wind whistle behind the ball. You hit it and it just fucking whistles. Dude, like that's how you know you're compressing the ball good because you're barely swinging it and it sounds like that when it releases your club. That's how you know. I've been getting better with that lately.
Where we are. So I'm trying to.
Yeah, you score with irons for sure. Like, obviously putting. That's something I got worse at over the past month or so, just because I haven't been doing it as much as I was putting. Because for a minute there, I was putting more than I was doing anything. And I was getting good. I like had multiple rounds where I didn't have a single 3-putt, and then this past month I just haven't been practicing as much, so that's gone a little downhill.
And that is at 30% right now, up over $100. That's looking good.
Let's go nuts. Woo!
Yes, sir.
It's a good day. It's a good Monday. I'm still chilling. I locked one account. We got another one open, ready to go, but I don't know if I'm gonna trade it.
All right, I'm back. Sorry, I had to crush
just
that.
smoked some food. Let's go.
Oh my god, it was so good,
dude. I'm so jealous. That looked bomb.
Molletes, it was fire.
I'm gonna go have to make food. What clubs are you playing with? I mean, I have majority of them are Callaway. Like my driver is like the newest, not the newest, but like the newer Big Bertha. Same with the 3-wood. It's like the big. It's part of that.
They're trying to hold 188
fucking
at their key level
collection. I don't know those those clubs.
Back down to that
My 4-iron and my 6-iron. I think both of them are TaylorMades. Which I prefer TaylorMade. I like them the best. But I don't really, at this point, like where I'm at in my golf stage, I don't care that much. But I am gonna go get fitted. I would think, I don't know, I want to go get fitted probably in the next year or so. And when I do, I'm gonna get all TaylorMade. But right now I'm running mostly Callaway. And then my putter is a Ping putter. I spent like fucking $800 on a putter. And that thing is beast. Love it. Absolutely love it.
Green.
Yeah, it's fun to mix and match. I've always just liked TaylorMade, but to be honest with you guys, doesn't fucking matter, dude. Here's the thing. When Bryson DeChambeau goes on YouTube and plays a round of golf with kids clubs, dude, it just shows you that it's not the clubs that's your problem. Okay? It's not the clubs. I don't care if your clubs are slightly too big, slightly too small. I have clubs that are too big in my bag, too small. I still learn how to hit the ball good. Like, you can, everybody, dude, I'll watch people, some of my friends, dude, that got into golf before me, they spent so much money on clubs, they don't even use them anymore because they fucking suck with them. Because they're like, dude, they're all professional clubs and shit. It's like, dude, you were better off just playing the hand-me-downs that you had. You know what I mean? It's not the clubs. If anything, I feel like having the hand-me-downs is better to start out with. Fuck. Dude, you go look at some of those fucking clubs and Dick's Sporting Goods or at the PGA Superstore. Dude, the professional irons like they're making for these guys, they are not easy to hit. I don't know if you've seen the faces of those clubs. They're like that big. They're small, bro. It's hard. They're not easy clubs to hit, you know? But eventually I do want to get fitted. Be nice because a lot of people, like once you do learn how to hit the ball, I think getting fitted is just going to take your game to that next level versus like I see a lot of people trying to get really good and then go get fitted, where it's like kind of getting fitted is what's going to take you to the next level. You know what I mean? Because obviously, like, yeah, it's going to help when you're properly fitted for a club, when you swing a certain way and the clubs are built off of how you swing and everything like that. Like, yeah, it can be very, very beneficial. But none, you know, most of us are not at that point, man. Shit. But yeah, things like the shaft, whether you have a stiff shaft, things like that, depending on how you swing the.
You're talking about shafts?
Hey.
Is it a flexible one? Do you have the flex shaft?
I have the flex shaft. I think I'm going to move to stiff shaft, though.
You're going a little stiffer?
Yeah. Yeah, but little things like that, you can definitely perfect your
Thomas
swing
says
a
shaft
little bit
matters.
more. But I learned from Bryson DeChambeau, bro. Like when that motherfucker can go on YouTube, I don't care if he's pro, dude. Like he learns how to swing the club properly. He will pick up a pair of kids clubs or a pair of clubs from the 80s and fucking play phenomenal. It's not about the clubs you use. But once you get fine tuning, of course, yeah, you know, getting certain clubs, fine tuning things, it's gonna make you better for sure. So it's something I want to step into. But I don't feel like I'm there yet at all. I don't even feel like it's worth it yet to go spend thousands of dollars to go have all that done yet. Especially like I like to bounce around a lot. Where it's like I know I love golf now, and I think I'm gonna love it for a long time. But dude, you never know. I might pick up something else that I like, and I'm like, you know, I'm not golfing as much anymore. And then it's like, do I want to spend $3,000 on the best clubs I could get all fitted when like I might not even play this shit forever? You know, it's like I don't know. But I do love golf, and I enjoy it right now. Yeah, that too. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be a beginner getting fitted. Brent, yeah, being in there and they're like teaching you how to swing. Fucking that would be rough. Things are still cooking here, guys.
I think he's back above 200 now, too.
Still cooking nuts. Shit.
Going to that 221 now. NQ.
NVIDIA and Meta just made new high of days. I'm just kind of looking around. This kind of looks trendy. SPY doesn't particularly, but tech looks pretty trendy.
Mm-hmm.
Thomas is right though. You got to get fitted if you want to be serious about it, and like if you're just playing for fun, like whatever, don't worry about it. But like if you are trying to like improve your golf game and get, you know, decent, like not even good, just decent. Fitted
Yeah,
club,
that'll take it to the
big
next
difference.
level for sure.
Big difference.
God, all I want to do is golf, bro. I just want golf, but fuck, I can't. Dude, I got hands full of blisters. God damn.
Don't you have a girlfriend, Jordy? Who made that joke earlier? I said, don't you have a girlfriend?
Don't you? Yeah, yeah.
Somebody made that joke earlier. That was pretty good.
It's free to get fitted? I don't know where you're getting fitted, but
It is not.
tell me. I would love
it
to
depends.
get fitted for free.
No, it depends. If you buy your clubs from some places, they will fit them for you.
Well, yeah, after I buy the clubs.
If you buy the clubs there, yeah. Well, that's the thing.
Yeah.
When you buy clubs, buy
Yeah.
them from someone that's going to fit them to you.
Yeah, yeah.
If you're getting a new set, that's when you get fitted.
Yeah, I could see that. Yeah.
Honestly, I would almost prefer, like, if you already have a set of clubs, instead of going to get them fitted, just sell those and put that money towards a new set.
Yeah,
and
no,
a fitted set.
yeah. I would
Get them
not.
fitted when you buy them.
Yeah. Another thing that nobody talks about, everybody gets fitted for clubs, nobody gets fitted for grips. That's where you're...
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Bro,
now that you say that.
get fitted.
I love that.
That's what I'm
post
going
with
to
the
do.
fat grip.
I've been watching some videos and shit, dude. Grip size, based on like how you hold the club and like how big your hands are, can make a difference for sure. Not needed. Again, we were talking about it on the stream. Like I'll fucking swing any hand-me-down club and still hit the ball great, but
The exact same.
but you know,
my game is not good enough for that to matter.
Yeah, but to have those extra things once you start getting better and better to fine-tune your swings is so nice. Oh yeah, I got the giant putter grip too. Yeah, always.
The fat putter grip. Yeah, I love that.
Trade. Okay.
It's a little quiet here, so I'm gonna run another round of trivia. That link is still up top in Spaces, so pop right in there. Most of you are probably just sitting in the game room, so pop in there. I'll run that in a minute.
Wait, I gotta get back to the game room.
Yeah, get back in there, man.
And if you're watching this, guys, look how trendy it is when it touches the EMA 9 and it gets bought up immediately. We haven't touched the 21 since 10:15, so almost an hour. That's pretty trendy. We're way outside. We're out, way outside of everything right now. Over basically pre-market highs. Right at them on QQQ. Nice.
Light, what you doing with Google?
Nice little flag on IWM Rusty right here off the 9 as well.
Google's just tough right now because we're right after earnings and all that. But it's kind of about time for something to start maybe happening. We've had like 4 days of nothing. Tesla's looking good. Bad never sober.
I hate being sober.
I know I want a golf sim so bad, Brent. Okay, so you guys know Candlestick Nick? I think his girl's dad is gonna build a fucking simulator at his house.
I thought you were gonna say he's gonna build a golf course. I was about to be like, what the?
No,
what
they
kind
already
of
have
money
a
is
putting
that?
range. They have a putting range. They have a basketball court as well. Dude, they got money. That's good shit. Started a jewelry business with 30 G's. That shit is now a banging business.
30 G's.
30 G's to their name. Said put it all in the business.
Look at IWM chart right now.
Now he building a golf simulator in his backyard. And now,
You should.
on top of that,
221 here.
when Jordy wants his first watch, I get that shit.
I think
Market
it's been
price.
Right after the morning pop, it has been slow.
Where's game room link? I'll post it in the chat for you guys. There it is right there. Oh, get that started. And give people another like 20 seconds, and then I'm starting the trivia. We're gonna get that running. And then I think the next one, I want to try the card dash. I still don't know what it is. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see. All right, 3 minutes are on the board for the game room. It's trivia time. Things slowed down a lot here. Still trying to chug higher, but we got lunch in about 50 minutes. No crazy data. We'll see what happens. Vic's coming in pretty good, though. What's that?
Tell me when you start the stream.
I just started it, so it should pop up here in the game room.
Oh, I almost missed that one. Jordy, I hit go and then I started talking.
Uh-oh.
I missed the first
Uh-oh.
question. Dang.
Been
But I
there.
got the other five.
I forgot that I had a short entry at 223. It just filled.
Oh, shit. Not said I'm taking it.
Oh, I'm in it now.
He's in it now. 2 minutes left on trivia.
Oh, the NVIDIA split.
NVIDIA's chugging.
Shit.
They
I
ended
got
up
the NVIDIA
reclaiming.
split question wrong.
Oh, yeah, when the
Mhm,
NVIDIA
you
split
had to
happened,
on
yeah, that's a
Netflix.
little bit.
Yeah. I went 5 for 6 or 4 for 5, whatever it was.
Good, all good.
Damn.
There's a minute left. Get in there. 60 seconds.
Okay. I'm covering some here on NQ.
What's that?
Points. Just something.
That was a
small.
wild headline. Russia plotting to set fire to U.S. something airplanes.
Oh, Russia.
Through packages or something. I don't know. That was a wild. That was a wild deal. Whatever I just heard.
I don't even come into my 5-minute stop.
Bro, Elon
That
is
is a
fucking
wild
hilarious.
story.
Dude,
Oh,
Elon's so funny.
NQ next level would be 252.
Mikey just went long NVIDIA.
And overnight high was 249. Look at that.
I'm on the fence here because I have a fib at 229, but I want the 200 point
IWM
trade.
did not get me stopped because it did not get a 5-minute close over. We're also seeing negative R side divergence higher high there. And R side
Ooh, big volume on
is
SPY.
lower on actually every time frame.
Really big volume on SPY.
But again, stop is ready if I need be.
Dude, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go see if fucking I have shit for breakfast. Your boy wants to make some food.
Hold on. Jordy.
What's up?
You see that?
Wait, are you sharing your screen?
Yeah.
Wait,
I'll share it for a bit while you do that.
show on stream. There we go. I had to approve it. Okay.
Yeah,
There we go. Let's
you got the juice.
I got the juice. All right.
This is
we'll let that
where
run then.
this is what I'm talking about right here. I have this fib right here, but if it just gets like 5 points above that, I get a 200 point trade.
Yeah.
That's called being greedy.
Yeah, that's called being greedy. I know. There's so many times where I've done that. I'm like, all I need is slightly above this level and I get what I want. But I mean, that's when everything goes bad and you start giving back what you originally worked so hard to get, you know? Yeah. All right. I'll be back.
Okay, IWM rejecting. So you got that negative RSI divergence. Let's see if it brings it down where we need it to.
Microsoft a little heavy right now. We did just have a ton of volume hit SPY. Here we still have, I mean, here's the 21, guys. We haven't touched it since 10:15. Where are we at? 11:15.
NQ dropping here at that
Probably
221.
still a bit high right here.
Well, 223 short on NQ. Beautiful. 18 points here, 20 points here. Right into the 9 EMA on the 5-minute, right back into this 188 right here. I grabbed a little bit here long.
What are y'all talking about, Paul? SMCI?
I may push this down right to 163 now. That's my feeling. If they do, I got a quick stop here. But that's my feeling. But if we get above 195, honestly, I'm probably just going to scalp this out. Take it all off. Yeah, they're going to drop this. Yeah, I'm closing at break even there. They're going to drop this. I'm looking at 163 on NQ. I'm not going to take it short because we're right at the support, but I feel like they dropped us down here. Ooh, I would have just got my scalp. Damn. It's only a few points. No big deal. No big deal.
So yeah, they're talking about Tesla. Let's see, what does Tesla look like?
Oh, they did get that bounce. Damn! Got us only a few points, but shit. Could have got a little extra Hana there. Okay. I still think they're going to break us down on this 188, bring us right to this 163 on NQ. That's really good for us, Condor. Just more chop, more theta burn, more quicker profit for us. Okay, here we go. Under this 188. IWM, why don't you drop down too? What do you say? Get us a little win here. 10-minute shooting star IWM.
A possible long right here. Either here or here. I kind of like it better right in here. But you could maybe take a starter here.
Mm-hmm.
It's a back test of that. Yeah. If it holds this right here, it's along to here and to 250. This is the better spot. But if it holds this fib immediately, it looks good.
We're still holding a little bit there on NQ. At that 188.
We're sitting on the October NFP high on QQQ right here. Basically dead center of the two levels from Friday. I'm going to take my, I don't know. This may be this first time we've touched the 21. It looks like a back test. I think I want to take a long shot here again.
NQ trying to get below.
So first time we've touched the 21 since 10:15, over an hour. There's the idea if it bounces here. I took it. We'll give it a shot. I'm up nicely on the day. I've got some room to add. Yeah, I like taking a little bit of a shot long here.
Okay, we're trying to get to that 163. Okay, we're going to 163 here on NQ. Keep this on watch. IWM coming lower too. 163 on NQ, 221 on IWM. Keep those on watch. That's where bulls need to hold on both sides. IWM down to the 221. Big spot. IWM, big bounce at 221 again. She's on fire with that thing. So 221 on IWM has been a key spot. If that breaks, that is where you see all hell break loose here. Easily drops 50 cents to $1 if it's under 221 on an IWM. We're still short here. Barely red now. 6%. Come on, baby. Come on, IWM. IWM under 221. And Q coming to that 163 level. We're at two big spots here. Qs and IWM. You have to watch these two levels here. And Q at the 163 level. IWM puts are green.
Jordy is cooking up something right now. He's been gone for a hot
And
minute.
Q under 163. IWM under 221 and at 220.93. Oh boy. Here we go. IWM comes down to 220.50. That's where I'm trimming. Come on. I'm going to take a couple off here. Hold on. Consistency. I'll check this for you right now. Sorry, I just saw this. I don't know what just happened to my camera. I'm going to trim some of that IWM off.
I mean, this is VWAP. There's a back test of the halfway point. You could long here again and hope this holds. It's the open range high.
NQ under that 163. IWM right at that 221. Okay. Any point Apple 222.5. Okay.
As long as it stays over 140,
Well, first input I'd
comfortable with
say is you've got to worry about the election. This is going to be big. You have the election, you have FOMC, you have earnings this week. There's so much. There's so much. It's very risky to hold anything over the next few days. I'm personally not swinging anything. It's just way too risky. Now, could it work? Yes. Could the markets go up after election? Yes. Could they go down after election? Yes. Is this going to be a very, very volatile week? Yes. So, again, it's very risky. Not saying it doesn't happen, but just it is not in your favor more so in the fact that anything could happen and that the move could be drastic. So I just would be careful on that is my thing. I'd say consistency.
that's a little concerning right here if this doesn't get back over quickly. Because now you kind of broke the structure.
I'm out of my SPX puts. We could drop another 70 cents on spot, but just want to take my profits. Nice play by play, my man.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not a good look. The only thing you have left.
Yeah, they're under that 163 on NQ. That is bearish. Technically, that's the level we've been holding. We're right at the 15 and 30 minute orb here, though. Right at 142 on NQ. We just bounced 7 points from it. We'll keep everything on watch. Just got to be ready.
Yeah, almost back to NFP low on SPY. It's got another 40 cents or so. See if they defend that or not.
IDub's coming lower. Q's coming lower. IW
hold the line.
20.50. Here comes iDubbbz. Up over 15%. to 20.50 is where we're looking at.
There's VWAP on QQQ.
See our Iron Condor is going to be a bit.
And it's on opening range
70% on
high.
the Iron Condor. Let's go.
Yeah, there's 570. ES is dragging us hard.
Another 20 cents on IWM. Give it to me. We're about to do it. NQ dropping down even further here, coming into support at 117. May want to try long there. I may try it. Not too sure yet.
I would want to see a crazy bottom wick off the NFP low on SPY to long. It's a thought did cross my mind. And
IWM
coming into the NFP low here.
on SPY, you said?
Mm-hmm. Right at it. I would really almost want to see like two nice bottom wicks on the 5 minute, you know, off of it.
Here goes IWM. Up 18% here. Oh. Up over 25% here. We're trimming. We are trimming.
Boy, we need a bounce bad. Once it broke this structure, it took off. Or if you're trying to short back in this area.
SPY trying to give a bottom wick so far, but it's a little early for a long for me.
Okay. gonna close this stream down. I'll catch you guys later. I'm going for lunch and gym.
See you, brother.
Yeah, I'll be in here for. Actually, maybe not. I'm gonna shut it off. I'll be back. I will be back.
Now we look for possibly something like this, or I mean, even if it came to here, the other thing would be this. Wow, what a rug right now.
Morning, guys. Hey, good morning, friend.
I feel like I gotta try a bounce play here on the outer view up, man.
Sharky's here. I just
On too long.
yeah, I was off for about 30 seconds. I just wanted to.
We're right at range lows here.
Yeah, I'm not touching the Sharky. I'm gonna wait. I think that it's different. It's gonna be different this week. They're gonna go further, and like that went a little further than I thought it was.
Now I'm either looking for this to happen,
Caught small on one little short,
or
I had almost a full position.
At 102 on NQ.
Or we look for something like
I think I gotta try this.
this.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Would take us back
It
to
just doesn't.
range high in here. The other thing would be to wait and play the bounce here.
Yeah, that was crazy.
That was fucking beautiful. I felt very alone on that trade, Sharky. Very alone.
Oh, that was good. 225. I mean, that was beautiful.
I'm gonna try a small long SPX calls.
Come on. Bounce.
I don't see him going too far either direction today, but you know, I think they shake people out and go a little further and then find a level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5-minute red candles. 10-minute looks just like a fucking disaster. Oh.
SPY is getting absolutely crushed. If we hit this, I'm definitely going to try another long.
ES is falling apart here. Fuck.
I mean, we're just falling off a cliff right now. That's not good. It makes me not want to try the long anymore. Pre-market low.
Oh, we back. I done did it.
Jordy, we're falling hard.
Right at the
What's
order.
happening? Oh.
I took a shot at it up here, and
Below.
actually I took it here, and I got stopped out pretty quick, and I tried it again right in here, and it went straight through.
Damn.
So now it's like here maybe. But the problem is the SPY is completely broke down. And there should be some type of little relief bounce, like even if you want to reshort, that's what I was saying. Even if it does something like this.
I
That
am
would be
eating
one.
real bacon this time, man.
There you go, real bacon.
Right in the middle.
Honestly, I would rather see something like this. But we'll see. You're getting extended from these EMAs and VWAP. You're at the outer. I mean, you should get some type of relief here. It doesn't look good.
Fuck, that shit's hot.
Yes. Starts to get below like 24. It's not gonna hit.
This is a tough call, Jordy.
I don't know here. I think we're seeing a lot of red candles at some point. We got to get a bounce, but Casey.
What's up, Jordan?
Good morning. I was making food.
Good. Yeah, that's my level 2 Sharky, 24 ES.
Oh my god! If that
I
breaks,
wanted
it's
to-
just like gonna be. It's gonna be a bloodbath.
I just wanted to come say hey to him before I jump out.
Oh, my man. Well, I appreciate you. Have a great day. I'm sure you killed it.
You too, brother. It's been a good day.
Yes,
It's been a
sir.
good day. So just gonna be sit back and relaxing for the rest of the day, but no more new trades for me.
KCO short NQ before it fired on the algo.
Oh, let's go. I
So,
just checked the Discord too, and the ATM bot actually called the short on SPY and ES at 11:05 Eastern, and then my algo signaled at 11:20 Eastern. So the ATM bot.
We're
beat me
about to
by
shut
15
down the
minutes.
space with Evan and Wolf.
I got short at 11.
Finally,
Wait, what's up? You ended it?
we're closing out right now.
Gotcha.
I should have known the short was coming at 11:10 on that 5-minute candle when it retested that equal high and they slapped it back down, and then that next candle just started to instantly just get dragged red. But I mean, it was a tough spot right there. But overall, the shorts were looking good. How many points did you catch, Frank?
On my last third of my position, 100 points.
Oh, hell yeah. I think someone in the server caught 30 points on ES. They took it from 57.68. They just sold down here at the low.
Covered at the low.
Yeah. Fucking absolutely insane.
Well, let's go, Sean. Rusty was killer.
SPY, in my opinion, is going to make one more lower low down to 568.44, and then it will catch a big bounce. Probably come back up to 569.62 area. The white zone that's at the top of the space that I just pinned up, we're below that now. Key level down here. So looking for it to bounce again at 568.44, and then it's going to come up and retest.
We're definitely in a spot here.
I'm looking for this bounce play. I tried it. Looks like the last fib to hold. This little gray line is the midpoint of your orb.
Mhm.
You usually get a reaction around there. And I mean, we just came down so fast. It's like catching a falling knife here, but you should get some relief. Problem is, I have a little bit. Have a level like down in this area that I like a little bit better on QQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Still looking for those potentially going in the money. My target is
Here or here.
on KO.
Hey, Raph, thanks. Thanks for coming to drop a like. Appreciate you. On the sidelines until next week. That's a great idea. Props to you.
And we're still taking it down. 76 moves to Emily. Hopefully we get some type of a bounce up. Maybe short against 100. But it might be actually a short against 120.
Yeah, it's got to bounce at some point to do anything. But it's tough to pick where this bounce spot's going to be.
I can't believe when they just broke that range high, or just collapsed. Crushing it right on my face. Opened up underneath the mouse.
Let's go sober. Good shit, baby.
Like Microsoft is just on a waterfall.
Oof.
This is Microsoft chart. Holy shit.
Jeez, that looks ugly.
To Amazon.
Fake George just try to add me on Discord.
Coming into a zone, that guy right there.
Here we go. All right, SPY just entered into this bottom zone right here. This is where I expect to bounce.
All right, let's see if we can get something. Oh, they're gonna complete the whole single notice. 1, 4, 5, 6.
Jesus.
No, Lord. I'm pushing it. Pushing it down. About to be in the lunch, too. Sean.
Well, we've got to get a relief bounce here.
Yeah, I need some.
I mean, just look at this.
Fuck. Freight train down.
Yeah, that basically a 200-point move up just got almost completely erased.
All right, I'm gonna take the scale.
Come on, snap the rubber band back.
There's that reaction on SPY.
Oh.
Trying to get some of the 80 here. There you go.
Here comes the relief bounce. There she is.
Come on, baby. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Rip it. Rip it.
Take that.
I ain't getting any Sharky, but I hope it rips right.
Take a trim here on the longs.
Get some momentum.
There's a big old squirrel right by my door when it hit that low.
That Heraldine?
It might be.
Tesla back to
Big
BY.
old nut in her mouth.
Whoa, what? We talking about here? KO new low a day. That's fucking good.
Oh, SPY hit the 50-day again?
Shooting the hammer on the bottom. Kind of like a hangman, but it should go up.
Do we even have anything today?
No.
Typical Monday.
Nope. I just heard PLTR on the scoreboard. Something about Palantir. Big old wick.
I was surprised to hear Mikey say puts, but he said it depends on where it trades. So.
I like this 5-minute reversal look. If this candle will confirm above.
Two for solar have earnings.
They had earnings last week, I believe.
That was last week.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm out. Right in the middle of lunch here.
Should have locked my top step. Went from 450 to 40 real quick. Yup. It happens quick like that. That's why you just gotta take the money and run. And if you have to trade, literally, like, go buy another eval. It's better than jeopardizing the money you already made on one.
Yeah, risk $100 instead of whatever you've got in your account.
Yeah. Ooh, NPC that question. If Edgeful has any data on the day before elections. That could be interesting.
No, their elections are so spread out.
Wild, yeah.
Every 4 years, so.
I wouldn't think so.
There's a decent chance we get a double break of the 15-minute orb. Which would be down here. Yeah, this wants me to get involved. NVIDIA is breaking through VWAP.
It's looking rough.
Yeah, I'm just going to sit and watch this thing.
Data says 100+ point fall likely, Jordy. For what? And what data?
Look at this tank that IWM went on to.
I mean, because I think we're going lower, but I don't know if they're going to keep it going today. I would genuinely like to see a few 100 points down from this area on the daily. Like anywhere from 19.6 to 19.4. is where I'm looking. I don't think we see anywhere near that today, but
Jordan, you can put your screen back up if you want.
yeah, I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer, but I'm gonna wrap it up early today. Oh, I'm not gonna be staying on the whole time. Oof. That's what I was thinking. Uh-oh. Back into Friday's low almost.
It's the 940 low here.
Back to where I long this morning.
Yep.
Same spot.
Yeah, literally 2050.
And my average was right here at 35.
Wait. Where was my entry?
Underneath 567.5.
I tried.
5 going to go down to 566.6.
I want to bounce scalp.
Underneath that's 565.26. Previous month.
2050 was the average. That makes sense.
I don't foresee SPY going below 565.26 today. That would be a full extension target, in my opinion. That's possible. Thank you. We're only down 0.5%.
Apple, Microsoft look terrible.
Just look at SPY on the daily. I don't see why SPY does not go down.
Everything just rolled
It's on
over.
the
Even
daily
Tesla.
50. SMA.
Coin is holding, I guess. Everything rolling over though.
I'm going to call it 565.27.
It should bounce up at like 50 points here, but it's acting weird.
All right, here we go. I'm taking a scale here.
It's crazy. I'm literally long from the same spot as this morning.
I'm doing a scale again a little bit.
Oh, nice bounce.
There we go.
They done did it.
I'm gonna take another couple scalp here. There it is. 32 to 70.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get 35 to 75. I don't know, I may take my win and just get out because I don't like how it's acting.
I know. That was a nice bounce. It's like, kind of just want to take that.
I'm just gonna tighten my stop up just right into this candle.
Whoa, Grok AI is a year old. Dang. That happened fast.
This is a rejection spot. Come on, just blow through it. Yeah, it's gonna get me right here.
Uh-oh.
Yep, I'm out. I locked in 25 points.
Lock it in. I'm not doing anything
Little
else.
scalpy stout.
Big reversal candle here.
I'm back done. We got a little flag here. Yeah, I bought them at 40 and 38 and flipped them out.
I have a free Discord, Brando. For all the people that tune into to the stream, feel free. Link should pop up. Yeah, the link's gonna pop up in the chat right there. There it is.
plus 5. I mean,
Hit and run.
I could
20 points.
stay in this, but 25 points rejection spot here just in case. I'll just take it off. I don't need the extra risk today. I had a very good morning.
Exactly. You had 100 points up. I had 100 more. I had 100 down. Starting like beautiful long. Those blow off candles were a signal for me. That blow off top.
Yeah, and like SPY wasn't participating.
I had the highs of overnight.
That critical area, yes.
Can you hear the
I can't hear the spaces from your end, no.
no, the bubbling clicking was
Oh, the book map, yeah.
you
Dude,
hear that?
Sharky's taking a snap.
Is that coming through?
Yeah, I can hear that.
I have to like turn it down because sometimes like it's like it makes you like jittery.
Yeah.
There it goes.
By stop and Q. By stop and Q.
There it goes.
Okay, I got a full Sharky coming in. It's down again. This is the move I was looking for. There's the there's the 9s. Get more out of these. That's gonna rip. Looks like a full on reversal. Look at the tweezer bottom.
Oh, look at this. We're going to 100. They're potentially short 100 here.
Nothing wrong with taking profit.
This is kind of what I was looking for to get on this one. We can't get 100. No against that. That's not too baby. Not attractive, no point. I'm good. I'm out.
Nice.
It can hold above that like 70. It looks really good for a go reversal. IWM's reversing really nicely. Yeah, Tony, that's bookmap. So it's there's a million sounds, and if you buy like the actual like full version of it, like pay for it. Like I just watch it because this guy streams it, so why would I pay for it? But some
Yeah,
people,
that's what I do too.
yeah, some people actually. I mean, there's a lot of like features that you can obviously play with. You can turn certain alerts on and off. Big buys, big sells. Here we go. She's looking a little better, like she wants to get back in the middle. Oh no, 84 lot just sold short. Jesus. AWM's ripping.
Which one, the Dow?
IWM. Man, we should have held it.
I'm still long.
Oh, Imp, they got your ass, huh? Huh. Fuck. Did him dirty.
I mean, I took the safe play there, but still it's looking like I want to get back in it somewhere.
Yeah.
Could just reject right here at the figure, though. Well, anybody that played that bounce and held it, they're probably trimming pretty hard right here. 65, 70 points. That 5-minute tweezer bottom on SPY looks beautiful, though.
Go rest, but I'll be back later maybe.
Feel better, buddy.
Well, Imp, I'm hopping off stream, brother. I'm keeping spaces open, though.
Yeah, I feel you.
But the Monday is coming to an end for me. I got some alerts set on my charts for potential options plays, but I don't see too much. I'm trying to keep an eye on Tesla because I like the dip, but IV for the contracts I want is still high. I don't really love it, so I'm just sitting back, man. We made a little bit of money this morning on one of the accounts. I'll take that. We'll move on to the next day, but I don't know what I got a spaces with Wolf way later, not on our link, but for stock picks. So
Oh yeah,
we're gonna do
tonight.
that later, and then I don't know if we're running this back tomorrow. I'm down if you want to. If not, though, let me know. We can.
I have the future space in the morning,
All right, bet. So we'll just
but
we can always hop on.
I can
after
always
or
jump.
whatever,
If you're
man.
on this, I can jump in at any time.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good. Well, everybody, it's been a day on the stream. I appreciate everybody. I hope we're enjoying the dual streams because I'm loving it, huh? And this shit's fun.
Oh, this
I
is
like
so much
it.
fun. Oh, here's
Yeah.
the 21. Holy shit.
Oh, that's a good time. All right. Well, I'm wrapping it up here. I'm gonna keep spaces open, so feel free to go over there, guys. I'm just gonna wrap up the YouTube stream for the day because I'm gonna get off. I got some laundry to do, just some normal house stuff, so I'm gonna get all that stuff done while I'm not really doing anything. But yeah, spaces is open, so we'll see everybody there. I love y'all.